Good morning, everybody, and happy Friday. How's everybody doing out there? If you're here with me either in the Discord or in the YouTube chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. Good morning, Savage, Luna, Mr. Kofifi, Big Mac, Discount, Apex, Trader Page. Good morning, Trader Dean, Crafting Futures, Double G, Titan. Good morning, Jordan. Morning, 90-bit even, Alex L, DJ V, Par Trader, Kyle Martin, Zor, Jay, Rich, Jay, Ray, what is that? Jay Frowls. Nice name. Evan, Tim, OSD, It Really Hurts, Terry P, Skynet, Eric, Joseph, G-Line, Sammy, Grateful Trader, Mark, System Revolution, Ripper Trader, Rooski, Trading Lizard, Trader Joe, Harry, The Trading Gator. Wow, I like that one too. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Imad, Scott, Cam, Dylan, Sail, Sledge, AD, Annabelle, Tom, Romo, Rush, Nicholas, Ben, Cyber, Buckets. Morning, Mike, Brent 007, Ground Zero, Norman, Monk, Jose, Martin, Vince, Scott, Norbert, Hixie, Denise, Caesar, Jerry. Wow, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, Morris, Tracy. We are popping up a little bit here. So I did do some markups here on the chart, just a little bit. We do have some bullish order flow that we had here, sort of in the early session, overnight session. We had some bullish order flow here betwixt 887 and a quarter and 917 and a quarter. And we are kind of running into this overhead supply. And this is pre-PCE that's coming out in just 28 short minutes, 27 short minutes here. And so when that data drops, we're looking for a couple things, and I'll touch on those bullet points here in just a second. But these are the levels we're watching today. 917 and a quarter all the way up to 974 here. That's the tippy top of that overhead supply range. We do have a lot of room for upside in Apple today, right? We do have a lot of room for upside in Apple. It did give up a lot of gains yesterday, and I think it was due to the watch news that came out. If you go on the Apple store right now, you can't even buy an Apple Watch. So you folks who are doing some late Christmas shopping or holiday shopping, you folks will not be able to purchase an Apple Watch. It's impossible. You can't buy an Apple Watch right now. So if you're trying to do some late holiday shopping for an Apple Watch, you can't do it. And that was a lot of the reason why the price of Apple went down. I guess they're in some kind of dispute right now. Good morning, Suarez. Good morning, Mitchell. Good morning, Ailita. You killed TOPSTEP TV yesterday. Thank you so much. I think we have a lot of viewers in here from TOPSTEP TV. If you don't mind, please do me a favor. Make sure you smash that lucky like button. Make sure you are subscribed to the stream here with notifications turned on. I would say we're trying to get to 3,000 subs, but you folks out there, you smashed the record. We got to 4,000 subs today. Wow. So I guess the next benchmark is going to be 5,000 subs. And I think at 5,000 subs, we're going to be giving away one lucky person in here is going to win a free year of Clubhouse. So that'll be a lot of fun. So trying to get to 5,000 likes will be, or 5,000 subs will be the next benchmark. I watched TOPSTEP TV with you. You smashed it, man. Really good advice you gave yesterday. I made the recording and listened to these cuts 10 times already. Get that in my head. Nice. Thank you so much there, Ukando. Good to see you again. Good morning. Yeah, we have a lot of folks in here that caught that TOPSTEP TV appearance. It was a lot of fun. Do you live every day here? Yes, every single Monday through Friday, starting at 8 a.m. Eastern. That's 5 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And we usually stream depending on how many likes we get. If we get up to the benchmark number of likes today, if we want to stream into the open, folks, we have to get up to 300 likes. Right now, we're halfway there. We're at 160 right now. So if we get to 300 likes, we will stream into the open today. So hey, good morning there, Kim. Good morning, Big G-Ski. Good morning, Kesh. So we are kind of ripping up here. So let's talk about what's happening at the bottom of the hour here. The PCE inflationary data is coming out. So the headline PCE is expected to be unchanged month over month, right? So that's going to bring the annual rate down from 2.8% from 3%. So that's 2 basis points cooler, 20 basis points cooler, right? So the core PCE measure is anticipated to rise by 20 basis points month over month. That's 0.2%. And the rise is going to be consistent with what we saw in October. And the annual rate of core inflation is possibly easing to 3.3% from 3.5%. So again, 20 basis points cooler in both of those. So we have a note out by Nicky Timmeros, right? We talk about him all the time in here. We were watching his questions during the FOMC live stream in here, which was a lot of fun. And so Nikki is projecting that the core PCE inflation for November is going to be very, very mild. In fact, he thinks it's only going to be an increase of 6 basis points. That's right, 0.06%. So it's interesting because that will lead to an annual core PCE rate of 3.1%, which is down from that 3.5%. So remember, the consensus right now is 3.3%. Nikki out here is giving out wild estimates, 3.1%. So 20 basis points even cooler than what the lowest analysts are saying. And that would also imply that the 6-month annualized rate of core PCE inflation could ease down to 1.9%, which is what? That's 10 basis points cooler than what the Fed's looking for. Fed is looking for 2%. So that would bring down the 6-month annualized to 1.9%, which would be hugely promising for the Fed. So if that unfolds this morning, if that's what actually happens this morning, we could see the market rip. If it comes in line with expectations, we might get a waffling print. But if it does come in where Nikki's estimates are, that's Nikki Timrose from the WSJ, if it comes in line with his estimates, we can expect the market to rip right through this overhead supply and be touching into that bearish order block above and potentially encroaching and making new all-time highs on the Nas today for that Santa Rally Friday. So a lot of potential here on the board today, and that's not all we have. We also have the University of Michigan sentiment coming out at 10 a.m. today, and that's all of the University of Michigan sentiment. It's the expectations, the one-year inflation read. It's everything coming out from the University of Michigan. So that's going to be out 30 minutes after the open. So we get a nice print here in about 20 minutes. That's going to be the core PCE. That's very important. We really want to see that coming down for the Fed. That means that those 6 rate cuts that the analysts are pricing in could come to fruition. Remember, the Fed is only pricing in 3 rate cuts right now. So that's kind of what we have on the table here. So it's going to be very, very interesting to watch this in real time. I'm trying to gauge whether or not I'm going to trade the print or the afterglow of the print. If we get what Nikki is looking for, I'm probably going to jump in right away, because if it comes in that cool, that's really the Fed achieving this soft landing Goldilocks scenario that we've been looking for. Not too fast, not too slow, just right on the money. So let's see if we can achieve that. A lot of interesting stuff this morning. A lot of interesting stuff can unfurl today. And remember, it's the last day before we have Monday off. So it's a 4-day vacation, 4-day weekend, I should say. 4-day weekend here up ahead. And then next week we have a short week, 4 days of trade. And then by golly, we're already in 2024. And so volume I expect to be really, really low next week. Really super low next week. So Friday today is likely going to be the last chance for some really juicy volatility, especially if this print comes as a surprise print like Nikki Timrose is expecting. So it's going to be nice, though. It's going to be nice. I'm looking forward to the 4-day weekend and going to be spending a lot of time with friends and family for the holidays. And I hope you all will as well, because it's nice to take some screen breaks here and get away from the markets, if only just for a little bit. Hello, I'm new here over from TOPSTEP TV. Welcome, welcome. What news should we always be looking for? The core ones. Well, here's a great site for you folks that aren't really keen on the news stuff, but this is a free site, free resource right here. Trading Economics. It's a free site. It's really great. It shows you kind of what the news is for the day, totally free. And if you click on it, it kind of gives you a summary. So the more that you're paying attention to these numbers and more you're paying attention to this news, the more in tune you will be to these prints and kind of have some knowledge, and just keep paying attention. This is the best show on earth right here if you're into this stuff. So yeah, here you go, Jimmy Boy. Post that here in the Discord as well. 4-week weekends. Yeah, exactly. So we do have a giveaway going off today, as you folks know. We have a massive giveaway, actually. We're giving away 5 separate full months of Clubhouse to 5 lucky viewers. And then in addition to that, we're giving away 3 TOPSTEP combines to 3 lucky viewers. So to be able to qualify for the contest, it's actually quite easy. You either have a Twitter or Instagram account or both, and you just follow me on Twitter or Instagram. That's the only thing you need to do to qualify. Just follow me on Twitter or on Instagram. It's right there. The handle is @SellingRips. It's right down there, @SellingRips. Just toss me a follow either on Instagram or on Twitter. And if you do that, you're qualified for the entry. And after we get this newsprint, we'll start doing some giveaways in here. And that's all you got to do. So make sure that you are prepared for the giveaway. Just follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. And that's how you qualify. Very, very simple. As the most wrecked person, I deserve comment. Tracy Neal says, great job yesterday on TOPSTEP. Thank you so much. Where's the Santa hat? I didn't do the Santa hat. You know, I was looking forward to it as well, but hey, maybe we'll throw it on later. We'll see. You killed it yesterday on Top Step. Thank you so much. Rips, you may have overwhelmed Top Step hosts, but they were obviously impressed. Hope you get a contract if that's what you're looking for. Hey, we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. Big G-ski with that in there. I actually posted on my Instagram story today, I posted a picture of the setup that I actually use to trade and stream from. I get that question a lot. People always ask me, Rips, what's your setup? What's your setup? So if you go over and skitter on over to my Instagram, you can see, if you watch my story there, you could see my setup here that is for streaming and for trading. Do you do mentoring, sir? Well, if you join here in our Discord, let me just go ahead and drop the link for that. I am available at first come, first serve basis. I don't charge anything extra for mentoring. If you're a member of Clubhouse, then you end up getting in there. And I do one-on-ones all the time with folks in there as long as I have time for it. So I don't offer any paid mentorships like that. So if you're getting a message from somebody that's claiming to be Rips, offering you paid mentorship or offering to trade for you, copy trading, that's not me. That's a scammer. So yeah, if you want to interact with me, I'm always available here in the Clubhouse. And also in the Clubhouse, we have a zero latency live stream on YouTube. I stream it as ultra low latency as possible, but as you know, YouTube sometimes has a 1 to 5 second lag in there. So if you want the direct stream, you just join on in the Discord, and you can check it out for 7 days for $7. It's, you know, if you want to check it out, see if it's your thing. Otherwise, you know, you're just more than welcome to hang out here in the YouTube. It's just as fun, you know. You were great on Top Step. We don't need to message or do anything on Twitter. Just add you. No, just add me on Twitter, add me on Instagram. That's it. That's all you need to do. And then we're going to have a keyword that you're going to enter into chat. And then we're going to do the giveaway through Nightbot. And that's how that's going to happen. So just follow on Twitter, follow on Instagram. Super simple. My first payout goes to Rips membership. My second one's for a set of half of what Rips. Good to see you there. 3 generations of hair. Good to see you. Could you use a brain cleanse? Love your setup. Thank you so much. Any books you recommend to read to better help with trading? Basically the essential. Yeah, we talked about this actually on Top Step yesterday. I'll put them in chat here. Markets in Profile and Mind Over Markets. There we go. All right, so let's see. We are at right now 238 likes. If we pump up those likes right now to 300 likes, then we'll go ahead and do a poll here in chat and find out what you folks are thinking for the NQ. And I want to try to get that poll out before the PCE data comes out here. You should negotiate for a Celsius supply from TOPSTEP. I like that, Matthew. Does your Discord handle on YouTube need to be the same for the contest? No, not at all. Not at all. No. Not at all. You just, the giveaway is done in the YouTube chat. So everybody here in the Discord, you just skitter on over to the YouTube chat and then you just type in the keyword and you are entered. That's how it's done. You seem like you trade a combo of Dalton and ICT. I trade a mix of everything. You know, Dalton is auction theory, of course. Market structure, Wyckoff ICT, of course, kind of one and the same there. And momentum trading, order flow reading, tape reading. It's a mix of everything that I've kind of, I built up this skill set over the years, trading multiple different asset classes, trading small cap equities, large cap equities, trading options, trading crypto. All of these things have helped build little bricks of my trading style that helps me to trade the way that I do now. And it's very much a momentum based style. And there is some times where we'll have a trade on for longer, but it just depends on the market structure, whether or not it supports it. And with futures, it's often about those entries. So, if you don't get a perfect entry on something and you don't have a lot of room to run, we may only be looking for 10 handles at a time on something. So, and if that's the case, we're probably going to trade more of a momentum style. Where's the Instagram link? Let me go ahead and drop that here in chat for you. Here it is. Right there. Sitting in a short position at 956 3/4 for a possible quick scalp on the news. Good luck to you, Trading Gator. Should make my name Rip Skinner. How long do you have trading? I've been trading for a decade. I've been trading for 10 years there, Hallway. Just followed you on Insta and Twitter. Well, good luck to you. I hope you win. I can open 5 mini NASDAQ positions. Why can't I open 50 micros? I believe that TOPSTEP is going to have that changed in the first quarter of 2024. So that's the news, the rumor that I've heard on that. So I'm not sure when or if it's ever going to happen, but stay tuned. Hopefully they do change that rule, because that is kind of the only one thing that people can kind of say about TOPSTEP where they're kind of lacking, I guess. But, they have the best rules in the game compared to everybody else. Do you trade NQ primarily? Any other instruments do you trade? We trade ES. I would rarely trade gold or crude, but we do a little discussion in here in the clubhouse about it. But I primarily focus on NQ for now. When there's other opportunities in the market, we will flip over into it. It's funny, most people don't know this, is you can actually trade micro Bitcoin futures, micro Ethereum futures on these platforms as well, because the CME actually has those futures contracts. But we focus on trading the NQ in here because it offers a lot of volatility and a lot of beautiful price action, and it's a very fast moving instrument. Too fast for some, and that's okay. And you can trade the ES instead if that's more your MO, but I like focusing on the indices. It's a very pure trade. Do I still trade options? I haven't traded options in it's been, about 2 or 3 months now. We were trading SPY options most of this year in Clubhouse, and then we had more futures traders just kind of overtake the crowd here in Clubhouse. And it's just more accessible for people too. When you're trading options, you have to put up a lot of risk, and if you have a bad trade, it can hurt your account pretty badly. And if you're trading on TOPSTEP here, if you blow your account, it's $49. So the barrier for entry for TOPSTEP is much lower. It's a lot easier for traders to handle that. And the upside is much, much higher. You're risking $49 on an account, and the upside for that could be thousands and thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars if you trade really, really well. Now, I'm not saying you're going to trade really, really well, but the risk reward is there if you're looking at just from a dollar and cents standpoint. Paul and Q here. Good to see you. Tell me a bit about Clubhouse. You can find information here, marketclubhouse.club, if you want to find out more information about Clubhouse. It's just basically zero latency live stream there. Good morning there, Chat PCat. Good morning there, Steve. How long did it take you to become consistent, Rips? I remember you saying 2 years of tilt, but it was longer than that. I've been doing it 2.5 years, feeling closer, but not there yet. It took me a little bit longer than 2 years. I would say about 3 or 4 years. There was almost a year straight where I was in a plateau phase where I wasn't making money, I wasn't losing money, and that was huge for me. So that was the biggest thing for me, getting to that plateau phase. That's where I really felt that I was going to turn the corner. But at the same time, I wasn't rushing it through that plateau phase. I was really kind of pumping the brakes, because with trading, the more you rush it, the harder it is. It's like being in quicksand. It's terribly terribly difficult in the sense that it'll punch back a lot harder than you, the harder that you push on it. What's your biggest loss? A 7-figure loss, unfortunately. That was one of my worst days of all time. It was just awful. Hey, Ribs, I subbed yesterday and was watching you on TOPSTEP TV. Good to see you there, Lion. Just signed up for Clubhouse earlier. Looking forward to the education. Yeah, also, we have a webinar archive in there if you want to check it out. If you want a preview on the education that's offered in there, let me go ahead and drop a link here. You can check out all the education that we offer there in Clubhouse for the time being. We try to do at least one webinar a month, and I'm trying to do more educational webinars as the Clubhouse has grown tremendously lately. Try to do probably 2 or 3 a month for 2024, and we really focus on all different areas of things. You can go in there and check it out and see what we have in there. Yeah. Just following IG. Good to see you. Good morning there, Gary. The RR here is great. Rips versus reward. I heard you say you were blessed with a photographic memory. How important is memorizing the patterns for trading? Well, it's implicit memory more than anything that builds your discretionary tool set as a trader. So when you're watching charts a lot, it's how we function as humans. We have an implicit memory that we don't really have control over, and you commit a lot of these things implicitly to your memory, and over time that fills your head with a lot of different patterns. And before you know it, you're just trading discretionarily based on those patterns that are formed in your mind there over time. It's just going to take time. And nobody wants to hear that. Everybody wants to hear, what's that 30-day shortcut so I can be good at trading? Well, sorry, doesn't exist. It's going to take a long, long time to be proficient at trading. Maybe you get it quicker than others. Maybe you're the special snowflake. But I know in my journey, it was a tremendously long journey, but it was very, very rewarding to get to that point where even just the plateau phase where you weren't making money, you weren't losing money. But it's a very long journey, and if you're not ready for a very long journey, you should be doing something else. If you're looking for quick riches, quick money, trying to make fast money, do not be trading. It's not fast money. Don't be fooled by that. Don't be fooled by these people who YOLO out there. It's not worth it. It's all about consistent profitability, laying those bricks. That's what you should be focused on, and it will take time. Are there any shortcuts or buy-sell indicators? Nope. Sorry to say, there's just not. How much money can I make? I don't know. It really just depends. It depends on how much time you're spending on it. You can make $1, you can lose a fortune. It really, I'm not going to tell you how much you're going to make or lose. It's every single person's different in their journey. All right, we are 10 minutes out from this print here, 10 minutes out. What is bullish order flow? So in the overnight session here, whose question was that? Thank you, Annabelle. This overnight session, we came down into this area and we had a lot of buyers kind of stepping in. You can see that we had some tremendous sell candles, but it was quickly bought up here in that area, quickly bought up again. And we came out of that zone, encroaching back above 917 and a quarter. So that is generally a bullish order flow zone, because if we go down into an area and we exhaust sellers, it means that we have vehement buyers in that area. So between basically 887 and a quarter and 917 and a quarter, we had a lot of volume transacted yesterday in that arena. I guess you could call it that area, that pocket. So yeah, today we saw in the early session, the London session, it was bullish order flow there, and it was very, very strong. I've been following you for a few days now, and you filled a void in my trading career, Rips. I could never get myself to trade the open until now. Thank you. You're awesome, man. Hey, give it up there for Dead Squad Junkies. Is that bookmap? Yeah, right above my head. That is bookmap right there. It looks like that when we have it kind of zoomed out a bit. We are just grinding higher here, pre-PCE print. We are kind of encroaching now heavily into that overhead supply, and above that overhead supply, we do have 17,013 and a quarter, which is a very interesting level here. It was a topping level. Over here, we had the ascending trend line that offered resistance, and then this lower ascending trend line that offered that further resistance before we had that dump, before the big old dump that we had. So let's see if we can encroach back into this bearish order block today. There's a 1 hour bearish order block here. So we'll have to see if we can encroach into that. And if we have a strong print on this PCE data, which again is due out in about 7 minutes here. Risk management for combines. I like the risk management that they actually have built into it. I trade the 150K combines myself if I'm ever trading combines, and that maximum daily loss limit of 3,000 is generally pretty good there. So what would your analysis be if price breaks above that top of the overhead supply? Well, then we're looking to encroach back into that bearish order block, because we should have sellers there, a lot of liquidity to the sell side, and we know that we can match orders up there for buyers. So usually speaking, if we have a lot of liquidity up in an area, they're going to hold that liquidity up there. They're not going to entertain it between that gap. So we would like to see that could push up through on that PCE print if it's a favorable print, which, you know, it's seeming that way. Somebody might have an early read on this, and that's why they're walking the price up here. But if we tap into that overhead supply, it comes back down, looking for this bullish order flow to kind of hold things up. We break through that, sort of becomes a mix between a breaker block and then overhead supply, and then back down to that 824 and 3/4. Now, if we do break above that overhead supply, like I said, they're going to be holding orders of liquidity up in this 1 hour bearish order block. If we get up into that zone, we're going to have to see, are they strong sellers, or do we just bust on through? So that's what I'm going to be looking for there. Rip's fastest growing trading live stream right now. Hey, appreciate that. Got a nice cup and handle for me. About to take off on the 1 minute with the data release. Yeah, I'm going to be hands off here until that data release. Hands off myself here. If you folks are enjoying the stream so far, make sure you hit that thumbs up, smash that lucky like button. We are about 4 minutes here, 5 minutes, no, 6 minutes here until the print. Let's do a poll here. What does the, does the NQ end the day up or down? Up, down, and then we'll do unchanged right there. So go ahead and vote away. Your votes are completely anonymous, so please vote with honesty. Let's vote what you folks think the NQ will end the day up or down. Right now, it's currently up 0.03%, so pretty much flat on the day so far. So we're in a good spot to do this poll here. Savage is long from 947. Hey, way to go there, Savage. Nice trading. Very nice entry there. Love to see that. First time, great stuff. Good to see you there, Alchemist. Using Bookmap and Momentum like Danny. Yeah, I think Danny's a fantastic trader, to be honest. There are some very good traders out there, some fantastic traders, and there are some not so fantastic traders out there. How do you handle market downturns or periods of high volatility? I'm usually trading high volatility trades, high volatility moments in the market. I like trading volatility. I'm a big fan of trading volatility. Rips, during your first year of trading, you relied on implicit memory or you had to find setups? Relied. Yeah, I relied on, I didn't know what I was doing. I'll be honest with you. The first year of trading, I had no idea what I was doing. I was just trying to learn as I went, and it was very expensive. Good morning, traders. Rips, you blew up TOPSTEP TV yesterday. Nice. Thank you, Luis. Good to see you. Good morning. Daniel 3 today to 5 Monday, I believe. Maybe. Not sure about that one. First few years, yeah, I mean, it was just building my own strategy. I'm self-taught on pretty much everything in my life. I'm a self-starter. That's the type of person that I am. So I was self-taught on everything. I was reading a couple books about things, but nothing really stuck with me as far as strategy. It was just, kind of throwing darts at the board. I had so many indicators on my chart. I had no idea what I was doing. It was awful. It was, it's the woes of being a very new trader. You have no idea what to do and you're chasing your own tail. You're looking for this strategy, this strategy, this strategy. And it wasn't until I started reading about, auction theory and understanding, market structure and Wyckoff and those things. That's specifically what helped me, getting into those things. You mentioned SVPHD on the charts. Can you explain how you use it a little bit more depth? Yeah, that's just session volume profile. Having the volume profile is going to show you where the distribution of basically where all of the contracts were being traded during the session. And so it gives you a bird's eye view of everything what's going on. It shows you the high areas of transactions, the most busy areas in the market. And generally speaking, markets are drawn to liquidity. So, it's that's what we're looking for. Yeah, auction theory, exactly. The Bible. Holiday schedule next week is no trades on Monday, and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday are all going to be open for trades here. So we are about 3 minutes out from the print here. I'm going to switch over into Ninja Trader. Just in case we do take any trades, I'm going to bring that down a little bit, just squash that down a touch. What would you say changed your trading the most from being non-profitable to profitable trader? Time in the market. Really, honestly, that was it. Time in the market. You have time in the market, that's what does it. And I know that's not what a lot of people want to hear. They want to hear there's a magic bullet, there's a quick fix. There's just not. Were you always a futures trader, or did you trade other things before ending up on futures? Yeah, I've traded every single asset class out there. I've traded options, equities, futures, crypto, everything under the sun. FX is probably the thing I've traded the least. I think I traded it maybe a handful of times, but it wasn't my cup of tea. Time in the market beats time in the market. There you go. I like that. There's a quick fix. We watch you and learn. No. It's got to take time. Where can I find a link for the magic indicator? Alrighty, folks. Inside 2 minutes now. So just remember, for the personal income and spending data, we're expecting personal income to be at 0.4%, personal spending at 0.3%. Let's see if that comes in here. 90 seconds now until the PCE data comes out. Good luck, everybody, if you're going to be trading the sprint here. Good luck to you. This is a 30-second chart, but I don't trade on this. This is just so you can clearly see my entries and exits transparently. So I don't trade off a 30-second chart. It's off on another screen here. I'm trading on a 5 or 15 minute here in front of me. All right, let's see how this print hits the market here. Under 1 minute to go. Under 1 minute, folks. Order books should be clearing out here shortly. All right, 30 seconds, folks. 30 seconds. Make sure you're calm, cool, and collected. And good luck, everybody, if you are going to be trading this sprint here. A little reaction to the downside. No data yet. Trying a long here. Seeing if we can break these 70s now. So core came in lower, so that's very good for the markets here. Seeing if we can break above these 70s now, this overhead supply area. Not super strong here. It's kind of weak. Going flat there. Kind of weak on the print. A little bit weak. It's, you know, I expected on that print. Hold on. Let's see if we can actually get along here. I expected on that print because it's 20 basis points cooler on the PCE numbers. I would expect this to rip. So let's see. We tapped right into that overhead supply there. We tapped right into that overhead supply at the very toppy point of that. I want to see if we can actually pull back into about 41 here and then start to bounce. Watching here. Right now we're sitting we're sitting up $20, by the way. So we got right out of that and now looking to see if we bounce at these 41s. I'm actually surprised on that print that we're dumping. I want to see if there's actually any alpha for us to grab here. We tap the tippy top of that overhead supply and let's see if we firm up down here. Looking over at the SPY too, we have kind of bottomed out here what looks like at the VWAP here, kind of at the 50 EMA as well too. So watching here, 41s are going to hold. See, the PCE numbers, they came in exactly what we wanted as far as for the soft landing scenario for the Fed. The year over year was revised lower from 3.0% to 2.9%. So if we're going to be breaking these 40s, I might want to find a short here because we're starting to dump. I'm going to try a short here, seeing if we hold below 40. Might have just had a little bit of a liquidity grab here, but let's see. If we're weak below 40s. Got an awful fill on that, but let's see. Watching here closely. Adding into that for encroachment below 30 now. Seeing if these 30s will break. A little bit of a bounce here. Some bidders here at the low 30s, but if we flush 30s, we have room down to 17.25. So watching here. Watching here for weakness below the 40s. So we might have just had a sweep of liquidity below that 40 area. So I'm just seeing if 40s are going to be weak or not. So watching here at 40s. Watching here at 35 now. We have this breakdown. So big bidder there at 35, scaring up the price. Stopped out there on that one. Big orders coming in now to the top side. We are getting a little bit of a squeeze here. Watching here at 50. So we just want to be careful that we don't get rinsed out on this print here. So watching here now, 50s are going to hold encroachment back up to 75 or so. Looking for a pullback towards 55. Yeah, the print kind of threw me off. It should be good news for the market. Then we ended up barreling into those lows there. So we're just watching here if we get a little dip towards 55. So watching here. Looking here at 55, if we're going to be weak at 55 here. A little shake and fake there to the downside, back up to the top side. Watching here at the 50s. So we did bounce at the VWAP ever so slightly, but I want to see if we have strength here. Pulled back to 55s. Keeping an eye on volume too. Volume is a little bit stronger. So seeing if we hold 55s for that push back up. We do have liquidity all the way from 55 down to 45 here. So watching here, 55. Kind of just chopping sideways here. I want to see if we actually dip into some liquidity below 55, firm up some bids. A little bit of weakness here into 55s, but do we take this liquidity? Some aggressive selling coming in below 55 now. Yeah, we swiped that liquidity again. I'm going to take it long here. We swiped liquidity below 55 and we took that. So I'm going to put my stop there at 48 in case we flush 50s. Watching here, 55s are going to hold. That's kind of my key area that I'm watching here. Looking here across the board at the Magnificent 7 as well. I want to add aggressively into this. There we go. Nice push. Adding into that for this push to the top side. Very, very nice push there. Shutting that down there. Beautiful push back up to the top side. $2,000 trade on that one. That's going to put us back in the green there. Very, very nice. So we were red there, and we just had a huge recovery on that pull back up to the top side there. What a move. Wow. That was huge. Beautiful, beautiful push there. Back up to the top side. Wow. Now we're starting to squeeze here. So somebody finally found the PCE data numbers here. So watching here if 85s will hold now. Watching. Adding 2 into that for this long here. Looking for that encroachment back above 17,000 to 17,013. A lot of stops being popped here. I want to see if we can get a little bit aggressive if we get a pullback. Move my stop up to 81.5. Watching here for a push up above 95 now. Seeing if we're holding 90s. Watching these 90s now. They might do a slight pullback below these 90s. I have my stop at 81.5. Might get a little slight pullback here. I'm trying to time if we want to do an add for the encroachment back above 90 here. So watching here. They're throwing up offers at 85 now. So still a little aggression to the sell side, which we want to be watching for. So stopped out there. My stop was at 81. I want to see if we firm up at 80 and we can get a step back up to the top side here. Nice pass into the combine. Very, very nice. Give it up for Jello here in chat. Way to go there, Jello. So now we're watching these 80s here. Looking across the board here at all the Magnificent 7. NVIDIA's off to the races, Meta as well. I'm looking for any bids to firm up around this 70 area. Looking here. So this is where we had a big burst of momentum right at that 74, right above our overhead supply area. That was kind of the catalyst that made it pop those stops to the top side there. So watching here. Made 2K in my 50K XFA. Join you tomorrow after TOPSTEP TV. All right. We'll be back on Tuesday. So it is Friday today. We'll be back on Tuesday. All right. Let's see if we're firming up at the 70s now. Taking that long there. Pushing back up above 74. Holding these 80s. I'm actually going to add into that for that encroachment up into 85 now. Watching for this strong push back up above 80. We are kind of sweeping liquidity in both areas here. Watching here at 80 now. Adding for that quick pop above 80 here. Covering 6 here into the ask. Only filled 4 of the 6, but let's see if we can re-add to this on this low here. Kind of weak at the 80s. See if they can punch through these 80s. The seller at 80 here. Okay, nice push up to the top side. A little stalling here at 82. Filled 3 more. Gonna move my stop up here. Pretty tight at 78. Again, they're doing a lot of offers here above 80, but if we break through this, it's going to scream. So watching here for reception up at 85. I want to see them blow through 85 here. We should get some nice, entertaining blow through up at the 85. We should have a lot of stops being popped right above 85 here. Okay, there's 85. We need to run into this hard. Let's see. Watching here, 85 stops being popped. There are some offers being kind of firmed up here at 85, but we'll pop through these pretty quickly if we can have the buying strength here to the top side. There are some bids firming up. There we go. Through 85. Nice pop there. Beautiful, beautiful pop. I'm covering 2 into the ask. Trying to get a fill here. 2 out. Moving my stop up to break even. So we are working here. It's just a little bit choppy. We might get stopped out here. It's a touch choppy. So coming on down here. Stopped out there. So that's going to put us back on the day break even there. Seeing if we can get any kind of resolution back up here to the top side. My stop was just kind of tagged there to the downside. I am interested if we can break above 85 because we're holding above this overhead supply zone. We talked about this a little bit before the print came out. As long as we're auctioning above this overhead supply area, above 74, we should remain pretty wafty to the top side here. All right, watching here at 85 now. Some big sweep of liquidity to the top side. They are just kind of holding this area, seeing if we can get jumping back in long here. I don't want them to sell this too heavily because we do have room. There's the pop. All right. There's the pop we're looking for above 85. That was the one. That was the one we were looking for up through 85. 17,000 was that banger. Unfortunately, we got stopped out on that final lot, but let's see if we can get this swept up above 17,000, looking for 17,013 now. So watching here to the top side, breaking above 17,000. Very, very thin, of course. So watching here. Yeah, that 85 area was such a trigger and they were just kind of holding it. They're just sweeping stops right now, which is totally normal. I'm looking to see if they're going to hold 90s here. Watching closely. 2 more on here because they're getting wafty to the top side. Watching this 17,000 encroachment. Adding into that, they're firming up bids. Watching for a pull-off rate at 17,000. They're almost above where I want to see the price here. Watching into 17,000. A little bit of front running going on here. Nice push up, watching for 17,000 again. Covering a little bit there. Seeing if we can add back for that encroachment up towards 17,000 again. Watching here at the 90s. Just trying to time this right here. So we are about 15 minutes from the top of the hour. We will have an injection of liquidity at that time. Seeing if they're going to hold the 90s here, because if we hold 90s, there's a good chance we will encroach back above 17,000. We did pop a lot of stops up into that area, but that doesn't mean there aren't more up above 17,000 there. So watching here at the 90s. Nice push back up. Adding for this push. There's a chance, too, that they could touch 90, sweep liquidity below that to around 85, and then punch it right back up. So I have to be on my toes for that as well. So watching here. Yeah, there's some big liquidity that they're flashing above here for now. I'm going to cover a little bit there. Still not getting that break above that I'm looking for. Watching. Watching for this punch back up here. Kind of slow and grindy under the 90s. So volume has gone down tremendously. We might have to just go flat here until the open. Volume has definitely declined. Missed that trigger point above 85 where we had that huge push up to the upside. Unfortunately, got stopped out right before that trade happened, but I think that a lot of you folks in here, I'm seeing in the Discord and in the YouTube chat, ended up catching that encroachment above 85, that slam into 17,000 there. So very, very nice. So pushing back up here, seeing some bids coming in. Watching 90s here to hold. We are kind of just low volume sweeping around. All it takes is one player to step in here and kind of mix things up, so I have to be on my toes for this. I'm actually going to move up my stop just in case they do flash it down. Probably should be like 85 and a quarter here. So just in case they do flash it out, we'll be stopped out there. Do the ads still pop up once you join? No, it's on a Discord stream, so there's zero latency for that. On YouTube, there is latency, unfortunately. Nothing I can control about that latency, unfortunately. All right, still holding this 89 area. Again, like I said, we could flush below to 85 or so. Find some liquidity down there. Right now, there's just not a lot of players interacting, which is to be, it's definitely normal. So we're pushing back up. There's that 90 push a little bit there, but it's on thin liquidity. You can see big chunky orders coming in back to the downside here. Very, very thin liquidity here. So we might end up going flat here before the open. I just want to see if we can make it all the way to that 9 a.m. liquidity draw. If we get any lower here, I'm probably going to boogie out of this position. Yeah, I'm going to cut it right there. Cutting it right there on that pushback down before we got down to that 85 pull. So cutting it there, taking a loss on that one. Trading on TOPSTEP X today. So far, so good. Very, very nice. I use the entire order book there. I'm using the entire order book. I use the dome as well. Yeah, I use the dome. You can see over here on Bookmap, I have the full depth of market right over here, right on that area there. And that's how I'm kind of seeing where this liquidity is. That's how we saw that push up to 85, but Didn't have the lots on, didn't end up holding for that, and unfortunately did not get that trade that we wanted perfectly. So watching here, if we actually hold this 80 level again, taking a long here, going long 2 lots. Got to switch this over here to the, switch it over to a different account. There we have it. So back in the longs here. Watching here at the 90s again. Rip to our little group. Remember, there's only 40 of us watching. Yeah, back when we started in September, I believe. So as long as this is holding above the 90s, I'm going to get aggressive into this here. Watching here now above the 90s. Do you explain how to read the tape? You mentioned it a lot, but not on screen. Yeah, I mean, I go over it a lot when we have our wrap sessions in here. I do go over a lot of what I'm looking for in the order book and all of that. I also have in Clubhouse, there's a webinar on how I read Bookmap, and I go through over a day of following the ES and how I'm viewing that there. If you folks are having a good time here in the stream, make sure you drop a like on the video. Make sure you are subscribed here with your notifications turned on. Do I look at the dollar as well? I mean, it's from here and there. It's okay. There's a lot of people who focus a lot on that, and it's just one thing. Dollar up, indices down, you know, it's just kind of one thing to look at here. We're holding 90s. I'm adding 3 more lots into that here. Boom, I stop at to 80 flat. Watching here on this push up. See if we can get a little bit of juice to the top side, adding 5 more, 10 lots strong and long here, looking for that 17,000 encroachment. Any kind of pullback towards 90, we'll add in another 5. Getting this momentum here to the top side. But again, very, very thin liquidity. We need to see them have a push of liquidity back up through 17,000. That's what we're looking for here. So 95s are encroaching here. Watching here above 95 now. Adding into that for the push up to 17,000. Want to peel off 10 above 17,000 here. I think we can get a strong, strong push up above 17,000. Start popping some stops. We should have some resistance 98, 99, but we should be able to blow right through that. If they pulled that liquidity, I guessed 85. They took it all the way down to 80. So a little bit high on my estimate there, but we should blow right through 17,000 here. We are going to be developing a hotkey add-on here for NinjaTrader that will make this style of trading a lot easier too. Right now I have to manually key in all of my orders. So watching here, 17,000 push to the top side. Beautiful. There's that resolution we're looking for. Taking off 5 into that bid. Into that ask there. A little bit of overhead liquidity. That was the explosion through 17,000 that we were looking for there. Covered 5 more, moving my stop up just above break even now. That was the exact encroachment that we're looking for above 17,000. We know there's going to be stops being popped in that area. Just had to get the timing right on it. Anybody else out there in YouTube land or in Discord land catch that move there to the top side? If you caught that move to the top side, go ahead and drop a W in chat here. Let's see who caught that. Wow, W's in the chat there. Wow, nice, nice, nice. Look at that. Holy smokes. Yeah, that was a sweet move up to above 17,000. I'm still holding 5 long here. 17,000 is holding for now. My stop's up at 98. Scoot this down a little bit here. Love to see all the W's, folks.
That's what we call a sack lunch.
Love to see that. Love to see that. Nice work there, Luna. Great recovery. Yeah, there's a bidder stepping up, but he could be right by my stop. You know, I'm actually going to, you know what? I'm going to peel off. Let's try peeling off 3 here into the ask, 3 out into the ask. Have 2 as a runner. Congratulations, Ribs, for your 4K subs. Thank you so much. Looking like we're going to get stopped out here on the final 2. Just passed my first 100K top step. Thank you, bro. Oh, sweet. Give it up for Evan here in chat, passing that 100K top step combine. Way to go. Way to go. Love to see that, folks. Was down 500, now back up plus 30. Let's go. Look at that. Top of the hour liquidity is coming up in less than 5 minutes. Thank you for that there, Zort. I wish I was not on a practice. I'm up $1,900. Nice work there, TR. Way to go. You have over 1,000 peeps in here. Remember us, folks, when you're... I know all of the OGs. I know everyone who's been riding since the beginning in here. All right, so we had a little dip there. SPY is pushing up. We do want to see SPY confidently above 474 here. So that's kind of what we're looking for. We did get that encroachment above 17,000. We did get those stops being popped, so it did play in perfectly to the plan that we're looking for on that momentum trade. But now we're just kind of looking for to see if 17,000 firms up. My stop is sitting here at 98. It is a good chance that it will get tagged, but we might go higher here. I'm just going to be probably going flat if I do get stopped out here, going flat and then waiting for that top of the hour liquidity injection because by golly, we have very low liquidity right now. If you didn't notice, it's very, very low liquidity, a very difficult environment to trade in, of course. See if we can hold these 17,000s. Again, my stops is sitting there at 98. I do expect to get stopped out. 98 flat. Is it liquidity injection every hour? It depends. We have a liquidity injection at 9 a.m. and at 9:25 a.m. So we are still holding here. Holding a 2 lot. Expected to get stopped out here. I could actually tease this down, 97.5 in case they dip this 98 quarters. Watching here if we have any bids firming up. It's just such low liquidity here. It's very easy to manipulate the price. Stopped out there. Stopped out on that one. So that brings our total up to negative $500 on the day so far. So one great trade and a couple bad trades there to start us off. But we'll always keep it transparent in here. So down 500, start the day. I saw a couple of you folks in here going green, and I love to see that. Very, very nice. I was going hot and heavy there on those first few trades, going big size. You don't have to follow me on any trades. In fact, I don't recommend that you follow me on any trades. In fact, you should be here to learn how I trade, see if it's your cup of tea, and see if that's your MO. I'm going hot and heavy in a lot of these things a lot of the time. And what I do may work for me, may not work for you. So you want to make sure that you're trading your own account, trading your own risk, your own leverage. Do not try to blindly follow me or anyone else that's talking in these channels here. So just make sure that you're trading to your own plan, okay? Stop loss and trading view is not working. Is this normal? I've never heard of that, Boca, and good to see you. Good morning. Bookmap is useless for futures like the NQ. I disagree. But hey, we can all have differing opinions here. You're the smartest guy I've watched. When and where do you teach your reads? We have a Discord where I go over everything. If you want to check it out, here's a link to the Discord here. You can try it out for 7 days for $7 and see if it's your cup of tea. It's worth seeing if it's your kind of speed. There's the stream that you're watching right now is offered there with 0 latency, so you can get a full connection to the stream without any ads, any lag. So we swept there, not even to 90s. I might actually put a position back on, but we're 45 seconds away from 9 a.m. liquidity injection. So let's see how that unfurls first. Your eyeball should be right down here at this, right down here, I guess I should say, right down there. This is the volume, and you can see how little volume we've had here, and that's made it tremendously difficult to operate through this. Is the giveaway done? We haven't even started yet. We haven't even started yet. I would never trade without Bookmap. I love it. Hey, me too. Big fan. I'm reading Bookmap to see bidders. You can read it on a dome. You don't have to use Bookmap. Just because I use it doesn't mean that you should try to use it too. It's everybody's different, right? It's a great tool for a dome. You can see the liquidity visualized. I've been using it for well over 10,000 hours now for years and years and years. And so for me, that's what works for me. Here's our 9 a.m. liquidity injection. Pretty small. Pretty small on liquidity there. What's the name of the blue indicator? This is hourly high and hourly low. There's a custom indicator that I had built for me. There's plenty of them out there I'm sure you can get for free. How can I use the coupon discount to TOPSTEP? If you just click that link here in chat, right here, let me go ahead and drop that. Nightbot will drop that for you. If you go ahead and click that link, it will give you a discount. If you get all the way to checkout, if it's your first account, you get an even deeper discount. The discounted rate on that is $49 for a 50K account, $99 for a 100K account, and $149 for a 150K account. And that will get you the deepest discount that they offer at this time. But if it's your very first TOPSTEP account, I believe you get either a half price reset or a full price, a free reset, either half price reset or full reset for free. And yeah, you get it even cheaper. Bollinger Indicator, no, it's just hourly high, hourly low. You reading Bookmap to see bidders? Yeah, I just read everything on Bookmap. It's the complete depth of market. So I can see where everybody's kind of placed. But of course, as you know, you're going to have hidden liquidity as well that there's no way to see unless it's hitting the tape. Half price reset. Okay, thank you for that, Guarev. Oh, the blue timer, this is a bar counter. Just a bar counter. There's plenty of free bar counters out there. Again, that was a custom indicator I had built for me. What percentage of your account do you risk per trade? That depends. I mean, on that first set of trades, we're going balls to the walls there. So really going hot and heavy in those trades. And that's trading on a TOPSTEP combine. So for me personally, it's not really risking any money. I passed 2 TOPSTEP combines yesterday into XFA. I do have a live account, but given how low liquidity this environment is, I'm probably going to wait until the new year to trade that live account. I don't want to be putting on trades in a low liquid environment where I'm going to actually be risking real capital. And the 2 XFAs that I passed yesterday, they're not going to be ready until probably mid-afternoon. So we'll have to see next week if we have some nice liquidity Tuesday through Friday. And if we do, then I'll probably switch over to the XFAs. I will always tell you whatever I'm trading. I'm never going to be I will always be very, very indiscreet about what I'm trading. I will always tell you I'm trading a combine, I'm trading my live account, I'm trading my XFA. Right now we're trading combines. That's all. What's the big difference between the live account and the XFA? Absolutely nothing to the trader. It's just a thing of prestige, right? That's a lie. The big difference is that your orders are actually hitting the market with the live account. The XFA account, your orders don't actually hit the market. So yeah, it's that and a little bit of prestige. As you know, if you folks had seen what I posted on my Twitter, in my XFAs, I had gone 17 winning days and only 1 losing day out of 18 trading days. And that's why they pulled me up to live, was because of the consistency that I proved. And, there's a lot of flash in the pan people out there who maybe get 1 lucky trade on and they reluctantly bring up those people into the live environment. And then they have 10 back-to-back losing days like knuckleheads. And they're not consistently profitable traders. You get to see the type of traders they are through their performance in those accounts. So I'm hoping that I can be topping the leaderboards with that live account. We'll have to see what happens. I'm going to be trying my best, trading my heart out, and we'll see what happens there. I have 3 live accounts. I was answering a question. Yeah, you can have 3 XFAs in 1 live account. Boston. They do pay out on the XFAs. They do. They absolutely do pay out on the XFAs. 100% you get paid out on the XFAs. You get paid real US dollars on the XFAs. Yeah, 3 live as in funded. So you can have 1 live funded account that your orders are actually hitting the market, but you have to be called up for it. You can't just ask for that account. You have to prove yourself that you're an actual trader. You have to show consistency. And then for the XFAs, if you just pass your combine, you get an XFA, and then that's the one you can take payouts on. Alrighty, folks. I think that we should do our first giveaway for 1 free month of Clubhouse. If you'd like to enter that giveaway, I'm going to show you exactly how you do that right about now here. Let's go ahead and pop this on open here. Go to our giveaway tab. Now, again, if you want to win this giveaway, the first one's going to be for a free month of Clubhouse. This is our first giveaway. We have 8 giveaways today. We're giving away 5 free months of Clubhouse and 3 TOPSTEP combines. We're going to kick it off first with 1 free month of Clubhouse. We're going to start there. It's really, really easy to enter this giveaway. It's extremely simple to enter this giveaway. All right, so how do you enter? Well, bring this on over here, right about here. There we have it. All right, so there's going to be a keyword, and all you're going to have to do is type this keyword. If you're a subscriber to the stream, then you get 2 times the amount of luck. So make sure you're subscribed to the stream with your notifications turned on. And this is how we're going to run it. All you have to do is type in the keyword Clubhouse. That's it. Just type in the word Clubhouse 1 single time, and you're entered into the giveaway. That's all you need to do. Just type in the word Clubhouse. That's it. And for my folks in Discord, you do have to go skitter on over to the YouTube chat and type it in the YouTube chat in order to win there. So make sure that you go over to the YouTube chat, just type in Clubhouse, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Just one word, all lowercase, doesn't matter, uppercase, lowercase, whatever you want. Just type it in one single time, and we'll do that giveaway here in just 2 short minutes. Skitter count. So we'll start here with one free month of Clubhouse. So far, we have about 320 of you folks in here that have registered for the giveaway. Very, very simple. And then, of course, to claim your prize, you do have to be following me on Twitter and on Instagram so that I can get in contact with you. Because otherwise, somebody's going to pretend they're you. And then, they're going to... they're going to take your prize. You don't want them doing that. You do not want them stealing their prize away from you. Alrighty, folks. Alrighty. Let's see here. 357. Let's see if we can get 400 of you folks in here. And people that don't use X, Instagram. Instagram's your next best thing. What's your Twitter? Here, both Instagram and Twitter right down here. @SellingRibs. @SellingRibs. Right there. And I'll put it in chat here. Selling Ribs. There you go. @Selling Ribs. Just like that. So follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, and then just type in the word Clubhouse in chat, and we'll roll for that here in 1 minute. 1 minute for the first giveaway here. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute, everybody. 377 folks are entered into the giveaway. And by the way, if you're just catching up to the stream, make sure you're watching the stream at 2x speed so you can be caught up to as close as possible to real time. That's what you need to be doing there. Alrighty, 30 more seconds, folks. 30 more seconds. Just type in the word Clubhouse there. Shahab, yep, that's all you got to do. He said we could enter in here too. Yeah, you just have to go over into the YouTube chat here. Let me just send you that link. Make sure you can get entered here, Master Rick, right there. Just go into the YouTube chat and type in the word Clubhouse. That's all we need to do. All right, we have 412 of you folks. All right, let's roll for the first one. This is for the first giveaway. This is one free month of Clubhouse. Good luck, everybody. Good luck to you all. And here we go. It goes to Carl Jones. Carl Jones, are you with us here? Carl Jones, just say I'm here or what's up? Carl Jones, Carl Jones. Are you here? Are you here? How do you spell Clubhouse? All right, you're here. Do you have a Twitter or Instagram? Let me know your handle, and I'll message you right now just so we can be connected. And then we'll move on to the next one. We can do another one right away, right after this. So just respond with your handle, and I'll go ahead and message you right now. Or you can reach out to me, whatever's easiest for you. Just let me know what your handle is and reach right out to you there, Carl Jones. Let's see. Let's see. Congrats to you, Carl. Let's see. Do we have Carl reaching out anywhere yet? Let's see. Let's see. We don't want to have a fake Carl. Do not have either. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Carl. Should we roll it again? Do you have an email address? If you have an email address, I can send it to you via email. If you want to put your email address in here, I can actually, it's going to be in chat. So if you want, you may get spam. That's the only thing, right? That's the only thing. So if you don't have either, if you got your email, we can do it. Just put your email here in chat, but it's going to be published to 1,000 people here that are watching. So you can just say no, and we'll re-roll it, and we'll give it on to the next person here. I thought you had to follow an exit. It's to qualify. Hey, that's what I thought too, but we're going to make things interesting here, I guess, for the first giveaway here. All right, let's see. Get that email. Will he do it? Give him about 1 more minute here to claim. Let's see. Carl is saying, give it to Craig. If you don't want to put your email, that's fine. We'll just move on here because we have 20 minutes till the market opens, and I want to get some of these giveaways going here. All right, Carl will give you about 30 more seconds here. 30 more seconds. You have to pay the $150 activation fee after every combine is passed. Yes, you do, to go into XFA. High school picture, yeah. Exactly. All right, doesn't look like Carl wants it. That's okay. Carl's a little bit shy. No big deal. We'll move on to the next one, folks. Let's get rolling. What do we say? Let's get rolling here. All righty. Oh, you added it. You added it. You added what? Let's see. I'm looking. I don't have any messages on Instagram. Don't have any messages. See above. Is Carl pulling our leg here? Let's see. Does anybody see the email? I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing it. Does anybody find the email here? I'm not seeing it. Okay. Well, sorry, Carl. We got to re-roll here. It's taking too much time. I'm not seeing anything. This is your whole chat log, and I'm not seeing it. So sorry about that. We'll do the next one. All right, here we go, folks. There's 471 of you eligible. Here we go. Here we go. Let's roll it. Here we go. Anthony Bodnar, are you here? I believe this is a Clubhouse OG. Are you here, Anthony? Are you here? Talk to me, Anthony. Are you here? I believe you are, right? I think you're one of our members in here. Let me see. Anthony, I believe you are here. Let's see. Yes, you are a Clubhouse member. That's right. Okay, let's go ahead and add your free month right now. Hold on one second while I do this. Sweet. And we're changing that renew now to January. Sweet. There you go. We got it, folks. We got it. One down. Okay, so that's one. I got to keep a tally of this somewhere. All right, so Clubhouse free month. We got 7 to go. And then Combine, we have 3 to go. Okay. All right, folks, let's do it again. Let's do it again. You got that free month there. Mr. Anthony, congratulations. Give it up for Anthony, first winner here. That's what I'm talking about. Nice work there, Anthony. All right, folks, here we go. We're rolling again. 485 of you folks here are eligible. This is for a free month of Clubhouse. This is the second giveaway here. Good luck, everybody. We're rolling. We are rolling. Good luck, good luck, good luck. It is Rafael Rodriguez. Are you here, Rafael? Rafael, are you here? Are you here? Give us a shout out. Give us a shout out. He says, yes, I'm here. All right. Do you have a Twitter or Instagram? That's what we're looking for here. Twitter or Instagram? Twitter or Instagram? If you do, let us know. Insta. Okay, can you message me on Instagram or I can message you? You tell me. Let's see. Let's see. Looking out. Okay. All right, I got you. Okay, I'm going to put the winner. There we are. Perfect. Congratulations, everyone. Congratulations to Raphael there. All right, that leaves us with 6 free months of Clubhouse. What do we say we go again? Should we go again? What do we think? Yeah, NQ is pushing up here. We're back up above to that 17,013, but flashing right back down. Liquidity is too low. I'm going to wait for the open here. All right, let's roll it again here, folks. Let's roll it again here. Let's roll it again. Here we go. Here we go. And good luck, everyone. This is for a free month of Clubhouse. Here we go. It is there. Are you here? There. Are you here? Congratulations. You've won. Let me know if you have an Instagram or a Twitter. Please step forward. There. Yes. All right. Instagram or Twitter. What do we have? Instagram or Twitter? Talk to me. Congratulations. Twitter. All right. What's your Twitter handle? Let's see if you reach out here. Just message me at Selling Rips on Twitter. Let's see here. Okay, KRD. Let's see. Let's get you here. KRD 2008. Going there. I'm not getting that one. It says something went wrong. Uh-oh. Did you misspell it there? Or whoops, no, I misspelled it. I'm the knucklehead. Sorry about that. Oh my goodness, I can't even type here. All right, KRD. Wait, no, that one's not it either. Did I miss that? Hold on. Let me see. KRD. Let's see. Nope, that account doesn't exist. That account doesn't exist. I am not mistaken here. It says that account does not exist. So, just message on Twitter. Okay, let's see. Let's make sure you are here. Let's see. Okay, there you are. Okay, gotcha. Great. Winner. Okay, cool. So that leaves us with 5 free months to go. We got 15 minutes till the open. I think we could roll one more here. But I think this one, folks, this is going to be for the free combine. And we're going to reset this whole giveaway right here. The keyword is going to be combine. Just type in the word combine. Type in the word combine. We're going to be giving away one free combine here. Just type in the word combine. Right now, let's see if we can do this here. We'll give you folks 5 minutes. 5 minutes for this one, since this is going to be a very nice giveaway here. Very nice giveaway. And then we'll do some more rolls after the market open here. So this is for a free Top Step combine. Just type in the word combine just one time. Just one time. That's all we need. Just one time. Type in the word combine in the YouTube chat. That's how you enter. Is this just one player spiking the action? Yeah. This is, I mean, it's very low liquidity. It's very, very choppy. Not something I want to get into. I want to wait for the market open and see if we can get back into the green here if it's possible. Entered 2,000 times. I love that. 305 of you folks are eligible in here. Make sure you smash that lucky like button. Make sure you are subscribed to the stream with your notifications turned on so that you are ready to be here on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of next week when we're going to be trading live here again. And maybe we'll have another giveaway. You never know. You just never know. Are we supposed to type the keyword each time? Yeah, just type the word combine. Just the word combine, just one single time, just once. You don't get more entries for typing it more than once. It's I know you might think that you get more luck, but just once is all you need. All right, 344 people here. So for the combine, this is going to be a good one. This is going to be one of 3 combines that we're giving away today. So after this winner, we still will have 2 more combines to give away. This is a free combine. It's not a discount. It's not a half off. It's not a reset. This is a full-fledged Top Step combine. And I hope whoever wins this first combine takes it all the way to XFA land and then gets a nice payout on this one. That's what I'm hoping for. I mean, when you rolled a second or third Clubhouse membership, was the first entry enough? Yes, it was. So when I'm rolling, as long as you're in the giveaway there for the, yeah. So as long as you typed in the word combine. So right now I see 376 eligible users and there are 979 of you folks in here. So just type in the word combine. Type in the word combine. We'll be giving this way in 1 minute now. 1 minute. Just once is all you need. Just type in the word combine just one single time. 387 of you folks now. And remember, to claim this, you got to have either a Twitter account or an Instagram account. That's it. Twitter or Instagram. That's all you need. That's all you need. Big G. Here in the Discord, always with the fire gifts. I love it. Alrighty, folks, coming down to the wire here. 10 seconds, 10 seconds. Here we go. 414 eligible users. And again, if you're not caught up to the stream, you want to make sure you're catching this in real time. Watch the stream at 2x speed so you can be caught all the way up so that when I do the next keyword, that you're ready to go to win that either free month of Clubhouse or Combine. All right, so this is for a Combine, folks. This is for a free Top Step Combine. Good luck, everybody. We are rolling. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Here we go. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. It is AHGAN, Agan. Agan, are you here, Agan? Talk to me, Agan. Show yourself. Tell me you're here, Agan. Are you here? Are you here? Congratulations, Agan. If you are here, you have about 2 minutes. He says yes, or he or she says yes. Do you have Twitter or Instagram? Twitter or Instagram? Twitter or Instagram. What do we have? What do we have there, Mr. and Mrs. Agan? No, they are Agan. I see what you did there. All right, Twitter or Instagram. What do we have? Twitter or Instagram? He says, she says, wait 1 sec. Okay. Got to follow you first. Or they're making one now. Money. Is that Twitter or is that Instagram? Let's see. Money. Let's see. Is this Twitter or Instagram? Insta. Okay. I'm coming for you. Let's see. I'm going to try to message you if you're here. Let's see if you're following me. Let's see the true test here. Money. Let's see here. Account is private. Let me see if I can send you a message. Winner. All right. Did you get the message there? Money Mun? It says this account can't receive your message because they don't allow new message requests from everyone. That's what I'm getting. So you have to follow me, I'm guessing, and then just message me. It's at Selling Rips. At Selling Rips. This is the account right here. At Selling Rips. Now, if you don't claim this, they're acting fake. Wait, I will check. All right, we're going to give you 2 minutes here because we're very close to the open. This is the last combine we're going to give away before we give away 2 more after we do some trading here off the open. This is a trading stream, believe it or not. This is not the giveaway stream. Nothing but giveaways here. Let's see. We'll give you about a minute and a half here. Minute and a half here. Again, make this easy on everybody. All you have to do is just be following me here. All right, give you about 1 more minute here, Money Mun. Please check. Not seeing anything. Let me see here. Requests. Not seeing anything here. Not seeing anything. We'll give you about 45 more seconds here. Make it fair. I'm trying. I'm trying here. I was really surprised to see Rips at 15 contracts. Is that 15 on one account or per account? On one account. Just on one account. Santa Rips is Oprah. All right, we'll give you 1 more minute. We've been trying to be very, very patient here. Trying to be very, very patient. Trying. Can't see it. Nope, I don't have any messages from you. So, yeah, we tried. All you had to do was follow me there. I mean, yeah, I think we got to do it. Okay, we're going to just add one. Let's see. I'll check one more time here for you. Yeah, this account can't receive your messages because they don't follow you. So, sorry about that, Money Mun, but those are the rules. All right, we're going to re-roll here. We're going to re-roll here. All right, folks, re-rolling. And here we go here, folks. Here we go. It is Chris Davis. Chris Davis, are you here? Are you here, Chris Davis? Are you here? Are you here? Chris Davis, congratulations if you're here. Are you here? Are you here? Talk to me, Chris Davis. Are you here? All right, Chris says yes. Okay, Chris, let's see if we can make this easy here for everyone. Twitter or Instagram? Let's start there. Twitter or Instagram? Let's see if we can make this easy on everybody here. This is going a lot less smoothly than I anticipated. I know. I mean, I don't think it's that tough, right? Give him 15 seconds and then rip it away. All right, Chris, Twitter or Instagram? Let's start there. Twitter or Instagram? Twitter or Instagram? Twitter. Okay, what's your Twitter handle? Twitter handle. Trying this again. Twitter handle is what? I know, it's making me sad too. I mean, this is not that. It should be like, yes, I won. Here's my Twitter. Here's my Instagram. Let's move. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Yeah, I know it's Twitter, but what's your handle? Okay, I'm doing 1 more minute. If you folks can't figure this out at this point, I mean, this is ridiculous at this point. If you can't just type in your Twitter handle. Okay, there we go. All right. Okay. All right. Let's see if we can find you here. There we go. I'm messaging you right now. Winner. There we go. Winner. Okay. We did it, folks. We did it. Give it up here for Chris Davis. Give it up. Give it up. All right. Back to trading temporarily. We still have 2 combines to give away. Free months of Clubhouse. We still have 5 of those to give away. Congratulations to our winners so far. Congratulations there to Chris Davis for winning that combine. Winner combine. All right, sweet. So we got you there. Perfect. I only have X, not Twitter. All righty, folks. Let's take a peek into the markets here. So what happened was we ran up into that level to the top side here. We ran up into that level of 17,013 and a quarter. Would have been nice if we'd been able to hold on to that. But if we're looking at the book map, you can see absolutely how thin this was here to the top side. You see these big gaps here in the liquidity? Very, very thin to the top side there. Very, very thin. So honestly, very, very difficult to trade that. You have to be quick draw McGraw or something like that. So if you didn't catch that while we were doing the giveaway, there's going to be plenty more opportunities here to trade off the open. Like I said earlier, we are sitting down here Go back to NinjaTrader. Down $562 here to start the day. Had a couple losers to kick us off, and then we ended up taking some nice winners there to the top side on that little baby squeeze to the top side there. We got a little juked there to the bottom side. So let's see how this open unfurls. We have it in less than 5 minutes here, less than 5 minutes. Please make sure that you hit those restroom breaks. Make sure that you have your favorite flavor of Celsius. Today, I'm rocking with the Arctic Vibe here, Arctic Vibe. If we have anybody out there from Celsius that's watching here, really interested in having you folks sponsor the stream here. So please reach out here, Celsius reps, wherever you are. Can we take a break from that? It's hurting my head. Starting to hurt my head too. For the future giveaways, right? We're going to do some giveaways here after we trade the opening here and we get through the University of Michigan sentiment. We'll probably do the next giveaway here in about, 15 minutes or so. But if you're going to do the giveaway, it's very simple. These are the rules. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter. If your name gets called, just write Twitter and then your handle, or Instagram and then your handle, and then we'll reach out. We'll connect. Super simple. Super simple. That's it. That's very simple, right? That was tough to watch. I'm trying over here. I'm trying. Just be very, very ready. Just Twitter, @SellingRips. Instagram, @SellingRips. That's it. That's all you got to do. Very simple. I'm DMing you right now just in case I win. Hey, there you go. That's smart. That's smart. If you don't play by the rules, then they should be disqualified. Yeah, I agree. I mean, I try to give everyone a chance. I try to have a good heart for people. And, if I won and I was caught off guard, I'd try to put myself in those shoes there. And, not everybody's ready. And, there's going to be some people who are trolling out there who are like, oh yeah, I put my email, but disappeared. I have one of those disappearing email addresses. Hey, Rips, what's your hair routine? Wake up and come and stream. That's the hair routine right here. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, the Houdini email. They had the magical disappearing email address there. All right, 2.5 minutes, folks, until we get the party started here. 2.5 minutes. Going over to NinjaTrader here. Hopefully we have some nice range to trade. I'm going to, we have a lot of room here to the downside. If we're looking at the 15-minute chart here, we did make quite a nice little order block here, just tickling right there. This is a bullish order block now, and we're going ahead and, oops, I'm not even in the right screen. There we go. Go ahead and make that a bullish order block. So we have a bullish order block on the 15 there. Let's see if we can run up into the skyward levels and get that 1 hour bearish order block and perhaps turn that into a breaker block. Hey, Rips, I have a complaint about your trading style. I trade with a group of traders from newbies to experienced trading combines from 25K to 300K. And the good problem is that everyone is passing one day. Well, I'm so sorry about that. I'm so dang sorry that we're all passing so fast around here. Oh, man. Was it Samson who got his strength from his hair? It was. Yes, absolutely. They're very good. We have some good folks in here. I like hearing that. TOPSTEP needs promo code to get the discount. The link listed doesn't provide it. So if you take it all the way to checkout, it will get you a deeper discount on your very first combine. But if it's not your first combine, the deepest discount that you will get by using that link is, again, $49 for the 50K, $99 for the 100K, or $149 for the 150K. I'm too old school for all this social media. Yeah, social media is a funny thing, isn't it? Rick James got straight from his hair. All right, inside 1 minute, folks. Inside 1 minute. Make sure you're calm, cool, and collected, and you are ready to trade this opening here. And make sure you're trading well within your own means, well within your own plan. Just because I'm taking a trade doesn't mean that you should blindly follow me into a trade. So trade your plan, trade your account, trade your own risk. Let's see if we can have some fun today. Good luck, everybody. Let's have an amazing Friday. Again, we do have data coming out 30 minutes after the open. That's going to be the University of Michigan sentiment read. They're going to give an expectation on inflation moving forward. So it should get the market kind of rustling about here. So let's see. All righty, coming down here. 98. We have about 15 seconds now. 15 seconds until that opening print. I'm expecting some good volume to come in and then probably subsiding until we get that 10 a.m. print here. So let's see here. Watching along the open here. Nice bid solidifying here. I'm actually going to take that long and I'm going to actually move my stop down. I want to take a one lot. Moving my stop down to 79.25 here. Seeing if we get a little flushacito. Looking for 90s to hold here. Looking for 90s to hold. So 90s are holding back above 17,000 here. We are just kind of shaking about here. Watching here if we're going to get above 17,013. If not, then we might want to flip over to the short side here. We do have some aggressive sellers coming in, but very thin liquidity. I will say that. Very, very thin liquidity here. Very thin. Adding to that for this break above 17,005. Watching for this encroachment back up to the 13s there. Nice push up to the top side here. Watching for this 5 to hold up now. Very rinsy, very washy. I'm looking for stops to being popped to the top side here. Watching. Nice push up. Beautiful push up there to the 13s. Taking 2 off into the ass there. Leaving 1 as a runner. Stop below break even here. Seeing if we can get this juice above 13 now. We are running hot here, folks. Holy smokes. There she goes. Wow, look at her go. Gonna move my stop just above break even now. We're locking in any kind of profit here. Nice move to the top side here off the open, but it doesn't mean that it can't rinse back down after we reject these 13s here. So watching very, very closely here. Very, very rinsy price action, of course. Seeing if we get above 13s, above 15s, because we have that order block just tucked below that 37 level here. So we might get stopped out here on the rest, but that's okay. Watching. Can we hold 13s? Can we hold 13s? Yeah, I'll move that just a little bit there. There we go. Just a touch here. There we go. All right. Back above. There we go. There's that burst above 15s there. Looking for the 37s now for that encroachment up to the top side here. This is a beautiful, beautiful push up to the top side. We are popping stops above 15. Can we hold it? Apple is looking a little bit weak here. I wonder if folks are coming out of Apple because of that watch news. I'm actually surprised to see it's having that much of an effect on the market, but that is kind of what's lagging right now between the Magnificent Seven. We do have Microsoft lagging a bit. Tesla, Nvidia, and Amazon, all front runners to the top side here alongside Google, of course. So Magnificent Seven are shaping up here, but can we hold this? Very, very choppy here on these wicks. Super, super choppy here to the top side. And will we get flushed out here? We are low. There we go. Stopped out here. So that's going to bring us back from down $500 on the day to only down $96 now. So just about a scratch day now. Nice recovery there off the open. Very rinsy, very washy, very low volume environment. Please exercise caution when you are trading this stuff, folks. You want to be very, very careful here. Very, very careful. It can get horrendously careless here at these low liquid environments where the price is just being tossed around here. So watching here, if we can actually hold above 15. I'm surprised that they are sweeping it in this wide of a range here, but I guess it's due to the fact that, you know, we are in that holiday low liquidity environment here. We are still holding 14s. I want to see if we can actually come back down, test below 14, and I can take another long here. Very gross liquidity here, by the way. Very, very disgusting liquidity. Very, very nasty here. I'm going to take a long here. I'm going to have my stop here just below this area. So moving it up just to the top of those wicks here. Josh hit $440 on that run. Nice work there, Josh. Way to go. You'll love to see it. So we are kind of painting a little small baby volume shelf here around the 15s. I do want to see 15s holding and bids getting solidified through this area so we can launch up through that and potentially encroach back up above the 30s here. So that's what we're watching for. Looking for 20s to pull here. 3 more on. Looking for a 20 pull to the top side here. And watching here. Adding 3 more for this push up through 20. Very nice pull up to the top side here. Seeing if we can actually hold that push. Watching here. Encroaching right above 20s. I do think that we will sweep this pretty high here. Watching here at the top side. Very, very difficult here right now, encroaching to the 20s. So watching here, can we hold these 15s or not? We're flushing back down a little bit. I do want to look to see if we can potentially add on this pullback. So watching here. Might get swept down below 10s. Watching here for any kind of add that makes sense. Watching here, stopping out probably here at the 2s and stopped out there on the 2s. So giving back a little bit of our gains here this morning, coming back down below 17. We encroached above 13 there, looking for that 20 pull, but it is very, very low liquidity here. Microsoft coming back down alongside Apple. So if we break these lows here, potentially looking for a short to add back into here. Watching here, if we come back above 17,000, this is very rinsy, very, very washy. You do have to be on your toes for this type of price action here. Watching here at 17,000. Very rinsy, very washy, very low liquidity environment here. So I don't trust this short, but we are kind of bouncing here when we're looking at Microsoft and Apple. If Microsoft does sweep below 194.5, we could potentially find a short here. Watching closely. Watching here at the 95s now. Seeing if we're going to push back up. Yeah, pushing back up, taking that liquidity. You can see how fast we're bouncing around this liquidity here. Some sellers stacked up at 17,000, so they don't want to give that up just yet. So watching here for 95s, is we're going to flush these 95s. We have room back down to 75. So I would like to be aggressive if we can actually get this pull down to the low side. But they are still pushing up these 17s for now. Watching here very, very closely. Yeah, we do have the Michigan sentiment read that's due out very shortly here. So that's what we're going to be watching for. It's going to be happening in just about 24 minutes here, 24 minutes. So let's see if we tickle 17,000 again, come back up towards that 17,000 area. It is looking a little bit heavy, but SPY still somewhat resilient here. Are we sweeping that liquidity low? Watching here for a little bit of a pop. A lot of bids coming in. A little bit chunkier to the downside, but they are holding these bids for now. I am hands off for the time being. So seeing if we bid up this area of 17,000 or not. Tesla's looking mighty heavy here. We are seeing the Mag 7 looking a little bit heavy, but they're running into VWAPs and EMAs here to the downside. Now we are bouncing at the 8:30 a.m. VWAP here. Still very, very heavy. I'm actually going to take a short here. I have my stop up at 17,008. I want to add into this if we get a burst back up towards 17,000. Adding a little bit more into that here for this 90 flush. Adding again as they're sweeping below 90s here. I want to add in more lots if we come up towards 17,000. Want to go full size if we come up towards 17,000. That is sweep below the VWAP there. I'm actually going to tease my stop down just a little bit, keeping it pretty tight. So watching here for this sweep now. Apple looking tremendously weak. A little bit of a bounce from Nvidia. Microsoft also looking weak as well here. So watching here for this 17,000 pull. They are pushing it back up for now. And there's that sweep back down. Aggression, I'm going full size here. Looking for this 90 pull to the downside here. Very thin liquidity, of course. But we're looking for that encroachment right below the 90s and targeting 74 to the downside here. So let's see if we can break below these bids that are coming in. Watching very closely here. Seeing if we get below 90s here. They're still holding this rate at the VWAP, but we can have a flush right here on the table. Watching here below 90. Little bounce here from Tesla, a little bit concerning. I just want to see a 90 pull here. A 90 flush is what I'm looking for. So watching here right at 90. Big bid stepping up at 85 as well that we have to keep in mind. 95, some bidders coming in here. Watching here right at 17,000 now. They're sweeping right above 17,000 and stopped out there. They nicked me out right at 17,005. Very, very choppy here. So we'll have to see if we can take a little step back, as it is very, very choppy in this liquidity right now. Holding my breath. Yeah, very, very choppy here in this liquidity. They are kind of firming up those bids here below 17,000. So very, very choppy price action. Very thin liquidity. All it takes is one player to kind of burst things up there like that. We got stopped out right at 17,005 there. So looking back here at our trading view, we are stuck above that overhead supply for now, but we are kind of holding below that 17,013 right there. So for the time being, probably want to take it a little bit slow, be a little bit more hands off here. You can see they're popping stops to the top side there as well. So let's see if we can actually find a little bit of a short here. I'm looking to see if we're actually going to break down below here on Microsoft. I can find another short here. Just watching here. Listening to some squawks coming across the board about Tesla right now. Midland Trader up 700 XFA and hit daily loss limit on Combine. I'll take that. Nice work there, Midland Trader. Way to go. All right, they are firming up a little bit here. Take that long for the push now through that 17,013 to the top side here. I want to add aggressive into that if we are going to get this hold above 15 again. Things are shaping up to the top side here. Trying to get aggressive here, adding into that. So watching here at 15 now. And let's see if we can actually get that push above the 20s here. Keep my stop pretty tight here at 17,003. So watching here. Right at 15. So this is kind of a level of confluence that we've had this morning where they're going sell side towards that area. So I just want to see if we could break above those 15s here. We might just get rinsed around here. Might have to take a step back until that University of Michigan sentiment read comes out here. So watching here very, very closely. Just rinsing and back and forth here. Yeah, very, very choppy price action here. Very, very choppy price action. So we're looking for that break above 15 right now. Back above 15 here. Very thin liquidity. You can see volume is declining tremendously here. We're still trying to bring some nice trades here across the board. So there it is above 15. You can see how choppy this liquidity is. We are popping stops. Going full size for the break of 20 now. Watching this above 20 here. Can we break up to the upside here without any kind of pullback? Watching for this 20 to hold here. SPY is driving to the top side here. So we are pushing up. I just want to have my stop in a meaningful place here. This is, we're kind of double topping here on the NQ, but if we have a breakout, we're going to pop a whole mess of stops here to the top side. And that's kind of what we're watching for here. So coming back down to those 15s. Very, very, very thin liquidity here. Very thin. So watching here, seeing if 15s will hold. This is kind of where the point of control has firmed up here. Again, we want to see above 15 encroaching into the 20s here. Above 20s, we do have some stops being popped. SPY is incredibly strong. The Magnificent Seven are shaping up. Apple is the biggest laggard of the bunch, but Microsoft has now turned its tone to the top side here. Seeing if Apple and Tesla can get it together to the top side here. Watching for this break of 20. Looking for this break of 20 to the top side here. There's that 20 pull, but not aggressive. Looking to see if we can get above. I'm looking for that 37 target. That's where I'd like to find ourselves here. So watching across the board, we do have Microsoft kind of going middle of the road here. It did get a little gas there. There we go. Through the 20s. Nice little stops being popped there. Let's see if we can get above 25 now. Nice stops being popped there to the top side. Very, very nice. Trying to bring this down and over here. So we're trying to rock this one all the way up to 37 where that order block is seated right now. So watching here to the top side. Can we get this beautiful, beautiful pull? Watching closely here. Nice push up. Beautiful pull up to the 30s now. We are still holding here. Very, very nice above the 30s now. Looking for that 37 encroachment. Beautiful, beautiful trade here to the top side. Watching for that 37 encroachment now. 37 big level, of course. Watching here. We do not want to have a big sweeping pullback to the downside here. We are running into that 1 hour bearish order block, as you can see here on TradingView. We're running right into it, but by golly, look at that. We have the juice here, folks. We are on the juice, looking up for that 37 pull now. Beautiful, beautiful push here to the top side. Gorgeous pull here. Things are screaming Willie Beeman here to the top side. Beautiful, beautiful push here. Looking for that awesome pull all the way up through 37 now. We will pop stops at 40. We have room from 37 all the way up to 77. So we're just trying to ride this out as best we can here, trying to stay calm, cool, and collected in this trade. So even though we swung the bat a couple of times, we were wrong. That's okay. We end up being on the right side of things where it matters. So seeing if we can get back above towards that 35 pull here. We have a little bit of pullback, but not super strong. Very thin liquidity. I'll say it again, extremely thin liquidity. We have that 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, we will have the University of Michigan sentiment read. So we're just trying to see if we can hold 25 here. If we're holding 25, back up through 30, touching 35s would be tremendous for us. Microsoft super strong, but we're getting a slight pullback here. SPY pulling back just under 475. 475 big key level here on the SPY, of course. So watching this here, back up to the top side here. S&P making a new high here, so that's tremendously strong. I do want to see this momentum not pull back too much. So we're looking to see if we can hold the 20s here. 20s or back down to that 15 level here. 15, of course, where the point of control is seated right now. So watching here at the 20s. Watching, seeing if these 20s are holding. Apple's still very, very weak here across the board. And SPY is trying to push up for that 475 pull here. Let's see if we can start to walk this back up. Very, very thin on the offer side as well, so not too difficult to walk this back up. But every single time we're walking up, we're popping stops. So I think we need to get liquidity, enough liquidity to pop these stops here to the top side. So that's why we're drawing back down towards this 20 for now. We ran right into that 1 hour order block. So caution flag will be out when we encroach back up towards the top side again. Back up through 25 here. Going towards 28. 28, we have an offer there stacked. Looking for this to jam up to the top side here. Start rustling some jimmies above 35 here. And then encroaching to that 37 3/4 level. So seeing if we have the strength to move here to the top side. A little bit weaker than I'd like to see. But we still just don't have liquidity to be popping there to the top side. So back up through, looking for 30s here. There is a big player there up at 30. Let's see if they're front running that liquidity or not. We are touching, they're just flashing, they're flashing an offer. I think they're trying to attract the price. There they go. They got swept there at 30s. Now watching here again. Yeah, they were attracting the price towards the 30s. They really wanted to fill to the short side, scaring these algorithms back down. This is probably like 1, 2, or 3 large institutions sort of battling it out, battle of the algorithms here, because it's very thin liquidity. So let's see if we can actually get above this player at 30 now. See how much size they actually want to fill up at 30. This could be a long player too from the original print. This is trying to get filled size with 30, and they still have buy programs on the other side of things here. Discord channel here. Drop that in for you there. So watching to see if we can hold this above 30s. Now it is slowing down, of course, waiting for that University of Michigan read. We do have to get through this player at 30. Big bidder stepping up at 25. Can we push through 30 here? Watching for the push through 30. And Apple's waking up a bit. That is going to be good for the Mag 7 here. Looking across the board. Only weakness now, NVIDIA and Tesla. Back up through 30. Now looking for 35 encroachment here to the top side. Trying to be patient in this trade here. We did make a higher low. So now we need to see us strong and long through 37 3/4 here. And we'll start to peel off some lots into that move here. So watching. 10 minutes now until the University of Michigan sentiment read comes out, and that will definitely stir some volatility. Volume has dropped tremendously here, but we are still holding bids up. This player at 30 is definitely stacking, but they can be blown out if we get enough liquidity to push through them here to the top side. I placed an order right as it broke, and I missed it. Sorry to hear that, TJ. more eggnog. Yeah, there's that player at 30. They moved out of the way now. They skittered on away here. They're probably getting an offer up higher there towards 35. We are just walking it up here. Still thin offers to the top side. Not a lot of business transacted up in this area, but we could pop stops. If we get through 37 3/4, we will pop stops above 40, and that's probably where I'm going to look to pull out a little bit of this position here. So looking up here to the top side, watching this 35 encroachment again. I can't imagine that they're going to stack too heavy at 35. I think they'll let it run through 35 to the 40s. So watching here closely as we approach this 35 player. They're front running him a little bit, him or her, whoever they are. So watching here at 35 again. Some bids are that. They're flashing bids. I don't like this actually where they're flashing bids like this. They're trying to draw the price down a little bit. I don't like when they do that. Generally speaking, it does bring the price down after we get a flash through a level. So 35 would sweep down to maybe 28. So let's see. 35 pop. Can we get through this 35 player? Through 35. There we go. Up to the encroachment. 37.75. There's our first target. Do we want to take some off or do we have the mustard to get all the way for these pops through 40? Watching here. Taking 3 off into the ask. Let's see if we get a fill. Filled 3. Here's that pop through 40. A little bit slow. Taking 3 more off. 3 more off. Running 6 here. Beautiful, beautiful trade there. Nice up through the 40s. That is patience. He says, take some profit. Hey, if you're having fun in here, folks, make sure you're dropping a like on the stream here and make sure that you are subscribed with notifications turned on. We are running 6 more here. Watching here. 35 holding for now. Watching. Let's see if 35s want to hold or they're starting to sell these. Apple is waking up here, folks. That is what I wanted to see. Apple and Microsoft, both the number 2 and number 1 weight of the S&P and the NASDAQ 100 here. So watching here. I'm actually going to feather out 1 lot here on the ask if we get a fill. Watching for a fill on the ask. There we go. Running 5 lots remaining here. 5 lots remaining now. We did have a little bit of weakness. So we got that pull above 37. If we're looking back at TradingView, we did get that pull back above 37 there. So that's what we're trading on that one. There we go. Nice push up back through the 40s. Still holding 5 lots strong and long here. I do like this pull, but I want to see some bursting volume because then we have room all the way up to 77 here. Watching here at 35s. If you guys are having a great day, you guys and gals out there on the YouTube or in Discord, go ahead and drop a W in chat. Let's get a temperature on the room. I see we have over 1,000 folks here, almost 1,100 folks here on the stream. If you're having a good time, do me a favor, drop a W in chat. Let's see it. Let's see it if you guys and gals here are having a good time. Oh, I love to see it. Oh, it's amazing. I love it. We have the best family, don't we? I just love to see it. Beautiful pushback up above 35 there. We are kind of skittering sideways. We have about 7 minutes still that data. Looking to see if we're holding these 35s. We're making a new volume shelf here right at 35. Bids are firming up right at 35 there. So this is exactly what I want to see. We are still riding 5 here. And as you can see, this is my position. 5 lots right there. My average price is $17.50. 17.5. You can also see it right over here on NinjaTrader. This is my live position, my account here, trading TOPSTEP Combine, and this is how we do it, folks. This is how we do it. I'm not trading today, but I'm enjoying this. Hey, thank you so much for stopping by. Appreciate all the W's in the chat there. Love to see it, folks. Watching here. For that push up towards a 35. Can we hold 35s? Can we hold 35s? Let's see. Buying McGriddles for the clubhouse on Christmas. I love that. 35s are holding, coming back up for that 40 encroachment. We did get a little bit of liquidity here. They are spreading the bids and offers pretty thin here up at the top side. I don't know if we'll have the mustard to break through 40s just yet, but if we do, we're running 40s all the way up through that 50, 51 level. So watching here, still holding these 5 lots long and strong here. We have our stop deep in the profit, so we will make money either way. I want a TOPSTEP account. Think I'm about to buy one? Well, here's the link for you. If you want to grab a discount on your first TOPSTEP account, just click that link. It'll drop it for you whenever Nightbot wakes up. There it is. Drops a link for you there. All right, selling 2 into the offer here. Let's see if we get a fill. Big offer stepping up and they're sweeping it. I don't like this price action here too much. So I'm going to take off a couple more here. I'm just going to close right there on that flush there. Sweet. That is awesome there. That is great. That is fantastic. So that's going to actually put us positive on the day now. Up $2,300 there. Positive on the day. You love to see it, folks. Love to see it. Awesome, awesome stuff. How about that? 4,000 subscribers and 1,000 active viewers. Wow, well done, mate. Thank you there, Elaine. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Do I get profit when I'm doing the combine challenge, or do I wait until I'm fully funded? When you pass over into XFA, that is where you get funded, and you can actually get funded there. Blew my 50K, but made 330 in my 150K. Way to go there, Josh. People who come here stay. Thanks again for the great stream. Thank you, Papa Bull. Thanks for being here. Do you show your account balance? I will when I'm trading my live account, and I plan to trade my live account either on January, the first week of January, or if next week has nice liquidity, then we'll trade that live account here on Liquidity. So yeah, I would definitely be sharing that. We love you, Ribs. Thank you so much. I love you guys and gals right back. Up 29.50 for the day on my 150K, 1K to go. Way to go there, Josh. 3,300 to XFA and 40.75 on the combine. Nice work there. That's what I'm talking about. So you're not making any real money from this trade. No, trading combines on this one. Very thin liquidity environment. Trying to provide some trades here on stream. Not trading any XFAs because I don't have them yet, and I'm not going to trade my live account because I want to wait for, like I said, the better liquidity environment here. So. What do I use to get a sense of liquidity and volume? Right here. Bookmap. That's what I use. That's one of my favorite tools. It's right above me. It's that, somebody said it looks like you're looking at a chart on LSD, which I thought was really funny. Please explain Combine versus XFA. Happy to do that. Combine is your test to get an XFA. If you hit the profit target on your Combine, you do get an XFA, and on the XFA, you can take withdrawals. Ribs, and Q. It's good to see you, Bart. Good morning, one of the OGs in here. So we are coming back down. We have double tapped into that 1 hour bearish order block here to the top side here. I'm going to drop it down to the 5 minutes, see if we created a block within a block. Yeah, kind of. Do we have new home sales coming out as well here? We have 2.5 short minutes here until we have that data coming out. 2.5 short minutes. Struggling with the size, but I want to learn. Luna, I would say size down. I'm kind of trading like a crazy person today. I'm using a whole mess of size. I would highly recommend not doing that. I would say definitely don't be going crazy with size. You know, I'm trying to provide some good entertainment for Friday. We're doing these giveaways. We're having a lot of fun in here. So I'm excited. We're trading some big size here. But, you know, generally speaking, if you go back and you watch my archive of my streams here, you trade 1, 2, 3 lots, you know, and the XFAs that I passed over into the live accounts where I had an 87% win rate or 87% winning days or 97% winning days, whatever it was. That one, you know, my average size was 3 lots. What's the rules for stop outs and when stop trading, e.g. 3 stop losses and stop? That's a good question there, Nicholas. I usually, you know, I can tell when I'm on tilt. Usually I get hot behind my ears here. So generally speaking, if that's the case, then, you know, I will stop trading. But, you know, usually if you're not in the pocket, you take 2 or 3 losses, you call it a day. So how would you change your scaling if you're trading a 50K instead of a 150K? I would be trading the micros in the MNQ. Trade micros and get a feel for it and trade on the practice account they give you. 1,593 in my TOPSTEP XFA. Merry Christmas, Ribs. Thanks for the last 2 weeks with max position size 2 lots. I think I trade well today. Green Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. Give it up for Grateful Trader here in the YouTube chat. All righty, folks. 45 seconds now until the data. 45 seconds until the data. We do have new home sales new home sales, final University of Michigan sentiment for the inflation read. Let's see if we get any alpha that we can trade here on this print. I'll temporarily hide my total P&L here just in case that we get a nice move here. What amount do you get for XFA? If you're trading 150K, you get $4,500 worth of drawdown. So for $149, it's like they deposited $4,500 in your account for you. I am live every single day, Monday through Friday at 8 a.m. here on YouTube, as well as in the Discord if you want the low latency stream, but YouTube's just fine. All right, there's the push up there. Oh my goodness, it's so thin. Okay, look above me in the book map. You see how wide those bands are there? You want to stay away from that because you're going to get a very terrible fill if you're entering into the market there. That's a very mixed print here. So new home sales at 590,000 versus a 690,000 estimate. Much cooler than expected there. University of Michigan consumer confidence coming in at 69.7 versus a 69.4 read. So a little bit hotter in the consumer confidence, but new home sales are down. But remember, this is new home sales. This is not pending home sales. This is new home sales. Completely different data point. We are coming back down here, looking over at TradingView here. This above this red zone here was that bearish order block, that topside heavy bearish order block. You can see here we tickled above our 37.75 level. I kept on trying to go for the gold there up above 37, trying to get that push up, was holding 15 lots there. Ended up tapering some off as the tape kind of turned. It got a little bit weak there, and I'm glad that we did there because we are flushing back down to possibly now 13.25 here. If we break that 13.25 here to the downside, that could potentially bring us lower here, looking for a break of structure there at 990. If we break that 990 structure to the downside, market could turn and get pretty weak here. In fact, I am seeing some red candles here across the board on the Magnificent 7. Meta coming down, Microsoft coming down, Apple really trying to slam here into the VWAP. Tesla, Nvidia kind of holding things up here. Amazon on the way down, and SPY coming back down hard, coming into the 9 and the VWAP here, 9 EMA, of course. How do you read those red levels in TradingView, please? Red level. I just put them there myself. Those are levels that we derive by looking at the chart and putting up areas of important liquidity there. So I Bob Ross those myself, as we say in here. Drew some pretty little red lines, pretty little green candles. Yeah, so I drew those myself. That's how they got in there. I'm gonna go ahead and end this poll. I forgot I didn't even end this poll. So the final tally on that was 1,200 votes. Up was 70%, down was 21%. The NASDAQ is up 0.31%. So you folks were absolutely on fire there. Cook says, happy little short squeeze. Good to see you, Cook. Good morning to you. Good morning. Good morning. Did I miss the bathroom pump break? No bathroom breaks yet. I took them all early before I came on stream because I figured that we'd have quite a few viewers today after being on that TOPSTEP TV. And I hope you folks are enjoying the show. Hope you folks are finding some educational value in this and some entertainment value. Hopefully you're here to learn something, have a couple laughs, enjoy the community that we have here on YouTube and the Discord. Hopefully everyone's having a great time in here. The way that you say that you are, it's very simple. You just hit that lucky like button, make sure you're subbed to the stream. And that's all we do. Yo, Rips, I hit 3K on TOPSTEP. Am I not allowed to pass it same day? So if you're trading at 50K, the most you can make in one single day is $1,500. So what you want to do, don't try to get losing trades. It's a waste of your time. Make sure you have boy, I'm having a brain fart. Your commissions. Make sure you have your commissions enabled and just buy a lot, sell a lot. And do that in quick succession over and over and over. And you'll see your profit come down because it costs money to trade, right? You're paying commissions. On TOPSTEP, it's about, $279 a turn? So buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. And then it'll bring you down from 3,000 to 1,500. So that's what you want to do. 100K account, no, 3,000, leave it. Don't do it. If it's a 100K account, you're good. 3,000's half the way there. It's 6,000 the profit target. So yeah, there you go. Travis says, love your ribs. Great content, knowledge, and a voice like a smooth glass of liqueur. Yes, I like that. Very nice. Yeah, just make another 3,000 the next trading day. That's all you need to do. Look at this. We are punching right back up. Look at this wick on the 5 minute here. So we tickled below that 13.25. Had a little pump fake there. SPY bouncing right off the VWAP here. I'm completely flat still. As you know, we are up 2,300 on the day. Had one fantastical trade there with 15 lots on. Got a nice resolution there to the top side. Some pretty crabby trades before then, but we were swinging for the fences early. What can I say? Usually I'm trading, average like 2 or 3 lots, but I thought, hey, it's Friday. It's the Friday before holidays. Let's have some fun today. Let's have some fun. Looks like it's going higher. Caught the bounce, 528. Hey, way to go. 528. It's a 45.28. 528. What are we looking at here? 528, 528. 928? No. What are we looking at? Where's 528? I don't see that. For a 50K account, do I have to make 50K to pass? No. You only have to make 3,000. You can make it's $1,500 each day. And you shouldn't. You should be trying to make a couple $100 each day, right? And there you go. Grateful Trader pointed it out to you. Oh, $528. Hey, there you go, BOV. Nice work. Sorry, I totally misunderstood that. I need a funded account. Well, all you have to do is trade on TOPSTEP and take it slow. The thing is that folks really want to rush those combines into the funded level. And I'm telling you, That's not what you want to be doing. Instead, you want to take it slow. You want to take it slow. My 100K, I need 6K to make on Apex. I made 1,100 so far, 4,900 to go. Way to go, Glitch. Good job. Just checked in on TOPSTEP TV. Did we do the giveaway? We have not yet. And now that you bring it up, should we do another giveaway here, folks? You know, I'm up $2,300. I feel pretty good about that. Market is kind of choppy here. We are pushing back into this zone. Kind of want to find one more trade here, but kind of also want to do another Santa Rips Miss giveaway here. Bears likely starting to look for entries soon. There's that Wednesday high. Let's squeeze. Yeah, 77s are going to be interesting if we get all the way up there. All right, I think that we should do it. I think that we should do it. I think we should do another giveaway. We're flushing right back down. We're meandering around. So I think that we should do it. So let's fire it up again. Let's fire it up. Let's bring over the giveaway screen here. Let's bring it on over. Moving on over. All right, let's see here. We got it here. Boom, there it is. All right. And let's see. So for this one, let's see. For this one, we'll do 1 month of Clubhouse. And if you don't want to win a month of Clubhouse, then don't enter. Simple as that. If you're not going to claim the prize, do not enter, okay? So remember, this is how you win. You follow me on Twitter. You follow me on Instagram, right? Very, very easy instructions. If your name gets called, congratulations, you've won. Amazing. And all you have to do, by the way, it's not going to be Combine. Sorry. Let me just, while I'm talking here, hold on, hold the phone. Hold the phone. We're not going to do that. Slow it down, folks. Slow it down. The keyword is not going to be Combine. I will tell you that. And it's not going to be Clubhouse either. But this is for a free month of Clubhouse. Let me see something. How do we spell that? Is that right? Yeah, I thought so. Okay. All right. To win the free month of Clubhouse, and this is Matthew's suggestion, to win the free month of Clubhouse. This is for one free month of Clubhouse. You have to be following me on Instagram, on Twitter. It's going to pop up right here. My handle is going to pop up right here. Look, you're going to see it right there. It is, @SellingRips. Just follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter. Very easy to do. If I call your name, you've won, and just say, thank you so much, or whatever you want to say. I don't even want it. Whatever. You say whatever you say, but then put in your Twitter or put in your Instagram handle so I can get in contact with you. That's it. Very simple. Very, very simple. All right, here we go, folks. The keyword is going to be skitter. Skitter. There it is. Skitter is the keyword. Skitter on down and type in skitter in the chat box. Boom cycle, got to type it in the YouTube chat. There. I see we have almost 1,100 folks here watching. Make sure everyone, if you are trying to get in the entry here, you got to be subscribed to the stream. And follow me on Twitter and Instagram there. Skitter is the keyword. We will give it another, let's say, we'll do this one quick. We'll give you folks here about 90 seconds to enter. And again, if you're catching up to this part of the stream slow, fast forward 2x speed, get it moving. We gotta, keep the show moving here. So let's make sure you're watching it at the fastest speed so you're along here with everyone putting in the keyword here, which again is skitter. Skitter is the keyword. Skitter is the keyword. All right. One more minute here, folks. One more minute, and then we will do this giveaway here. Instagram link here. I'll drop the Instagram link here. Instagram link is right there. It's the @SellingRips. @SellingRips is the Instagram handle. And on my Instagram story today, I posted my setup and everything. You folks got to see it. I love coming down into my trading office every single morning, Monday through Friday, putting on the stream, and I love it. I love my battle station. You got to love where you trade. It's one of those things, All right, we got 314 people who are eligible here. So skitter on down to right. Skitter. Skitter is the keyword. 30 more seconds, folks. 30 more seconds. How many screens rips? Check out my Instagram. I posted it on my story, my Instagram story. You can see my whole setup here. I use 3 screens. You can check it out. I have a 57-inch super ultra wide, 49-inch super ultra wide, and a 34-inch 4K screen over here. Alrighty, folks. We are rolling. Good luck, everyone. This is for one free month of Clubhouse. One free month of Clubhouse. Here we go. Rolling. Renato Mazuelos. Renato, are you with us? Renato, say I'm here, and then give us your Twitter or your Instagram. Tell us you're here, Renato. And Renato says, let's go. Give it up for Renato. All right, Twitter or Instagram. Twitter or Instagram. Twitter or Instagram. Let's see if we can get this quickly here. Twitter or Instagram. Let's see. Picking up the 57-inch Samsung later today. You are going to love it. You are going to love it. Messaging you now. Okay, let's see. Make sure this is you. Nobody make a fake account here. Let's see. Hey, there he is. Awesome. Sweet. Okay, winner, Clubhouse. Okay, bingo, bango. Congratulations there. Give it up for Renato. All right, so that leaves us with 4 more free months of Clubhouse. Hey, I say we run it back. What do you guys and gals here think? We just run it back here again. Let's run it on back here. No need to put in another keyword. Congratulations to Renato. We're rolling it again. Congratulations, Renato. Here is for another free month of Clubhouse. Here we go. We're rolling. It is Andre Gomez. Andre Gomez, are you with us? Andre. Talk to me. Andre, are you here? Andre Gomez, let's dance. Are you here? Remember, Twitter or Instagram, very simple. Let's keep it moving here, folks. Let's keep it moving. Andre, we'll give you another minute here to claim your prize. Hopefully you are here, Andre. Hopefully you're here. Let's see, Andre. Come on down, Andre. You were here a moment ago. Let's see. Give him about another minute here to claim. Andre, come on. You're the winner, Andre. Claim it. All done for today. Happy holidays. Thanks for the awesome stream, Ribs. Hey, good to see you, A to the B. Thanks for being here. We'll catch you on the next one. Okay, I'm here. Twitter or Instagram. Let's try to keep it moving. Here. Remember, very, 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 very simple, folks. If you win, you say, I'm here, and then you give me your Twitter or your Instagram. And if you're too slow, we're going to roll it again. Those are the rules here, folks. I'm not trying to be mean, not trying to be rude. We just have a show to run here. We're trying to get things going here. All right. Andre, I don't think your Twitter handle or Instagram handle is me, but maybe I'm mistaken. Let's see. Give him half a month to slow. How do I claim? You put it... You guys are trolling at this point. You tell me what your Twitter is. You tell me what your Instagram is. It's that simple. What's your Twitter handle? What's your Instagram? It's that simple, folks. Oh, my goodness gracious. Oh, my goodness. How do I claim? Boy, I don't know. It's not like we've had... Okay, what is your Twitter handle? We don't have to do this message by message. What is your Twitter handle? I feel like you guys are trolling me at this point. I believe that you folks are trolling me at this point. I'm about ready to re-roll if we can't figure this one out. It couldn't be simpler. Maybe, am I wrong here? Is this, oh my goodness. All right, we'll give you about 30 more seconds here because this is silly. Remember, this is, you put in your Twitter handle, you put on your Instagram handle. It's quite simple here. All right, Andre, I feel like we gave you a chance here. We gave you, wait, hold on. Okay, hold on. Let's see. See if you're here. And there we go. And you're following. Congratulations, Andre. Congrats, winner, Clubhouse. Boom. There we go. All right, sent you a message there, Clubhouse free month. All right, folks. I think we should just, I'm thinking that we just roll it one more time. What do we say? We have 3 more free months of Clubhouse to give out, so we just roll it one more time. And we're going to reset it here just to make sure you folks are still here. We don't want to run into the same thing here where you folks are not here. So we're going to reset this here. The keyword this time, however, is going to be by golly. That's one word, by golly. And by golly, I hope you win. That's the keyword for the next giveaway. By golly, it's just one word. You just put that in here. Those are our favorite words here to say here in the Clubhouse. This is for a free month, folks. Free month of Clubhouse. Remember, if you don't want it, don't enter into this. And remember, if you win, it's very simple. If you win, very, very simple. All you have to do here, folks, is just say, I'm on Twitter, I'm on Instagram, this is my handle. And let's just not break it apart in 17 different messages here. Just say, hey, I'm here. Here's my Twitter, here's my Instagram. Let's see if we can get one person who does it the most efficiently here. Oh my goodness. All righty, folks, we'll do one more minute here. listening to some squawks in my ears here too, making sure we're not missing any market moving news. Market's just chopping sideways here, so we're happy to do the Merry Ripsmas Holiday Extravaganza giveaway here. So by golly's the keyword. By golly's the keyword. I hope somebody who wins can show us how efficiently this can be done, by the way. All right. Okay, 296 of you folks in here are eligible. All right, here we go, folks. Here we go. Let's get the party started. Do 20 more seconds, 20 more seconds, 20 more seconds. Keep in mind, the current time is 10:15 and 45 seconds if you're trying to catch up to the stream here and see how lagged you are to the stream here. All right, 300 of you folks. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We are rolling. It is Trader Page. Trader Page is an OG. My goodness gracious. Congratulations. Trader Page is an OG. Trader Page has been in the clubhouse probably for, by golly, I'd say. All right. Well, I was just going to add this month here. I'm going to do this already. Add this free month here. So that leaves us with 2. Congratulations. I can't believe an OG actually won it out of 1,000 people. Congratulations. You manifested. I love it. I love it. Okay, get you up here. Trader Page. All righty. And let's get this added here. And there we have it. Free month for Ms. Trader Page. Awesome. Give it up for Trader Page, everybody. Congratulations there. Trader Page, give it up. So that leaves us with 2 free months of Clubhouse and 2 free combines. I think it's time that we give away one of these free combines. This is what I think we should do. 1 free combine coming up hot. Let me think of a very strong keyword here. Let's think of a very strong keyword here. Let's see here. We're going to do on this one. What are we thinking? No, by golly, not this time. Let's keep it fun. We'll do Ripsmas, just like that. Type of the word Ripsmas. This is a very free TOPSTEP combine. This is one of the final 2 that we have. So this is the hot one here. Just put in Ripsmas if you want to win a free TOPSTEP combine here, and we'll give you folks about 5 minutes to get your entries in on this one. We'll switch on back over here to TradingView while we get those entries in here. Remember the keyword, by the way, I guess we can leave it up. Ripsmas. Ripsmas is the keyword here, because it is Ripsmas Friday here. Merry Ripsmas to everybody. Excelsior. Oh, boy. All right, so just type in Ripsmas. Just one time will get you entered. You don't get extra entries for typing it in multiple times. So just make sure that you have Twitter, you have Instagram. Make sure you're following me on either platform. That's all you need to do to win this free TOPSTEP combine. And make sure you're part of one of the countries that TOPSTEP accepts, which is pretty much every country under the sun, by the way. So just type in Ripsmas one single time. Just once. And make sure that if you win, again, these are the rules. If you win, Ripsmas has 1 S for Rips and Mass is 1 S. It's not 2 S's like in the word Mass. So Ripsmas, just 1 S on either side. Okay, so to claim your prize, if you are a winner here, all you have to do is say, "It's me, yay," and then put in your Twitter handle or your Instagram handle or tell me that you're messaging me, and we'll connect that way. Very simple stuff here, folks. Very simple stuff. All righty, folks. All righty, here we go. Give it about 1 more minute. We'll do 1 more minute here. We'll do the giveaway right at 10:20. Good luck, everybody. I hope whoever wins this will take this TOPSTEP combine and turn it over into a funded account, and that funded account will carry you to the promised land, and you'll be on your way to being a consistently profitable trader out there. So this is it. This is the one that's going to do it. I have a full-fledged belief in whoever's going to be trading this. It's going to be amazing. I have full faith in our family here in Clubhouse, both in the YouTube and the Discord here. A lot of superstars in here. All righty, here we go, folks. We are rolling in 40 seconds. Make sure you get those entries in. We have 354 of you folks here who are eligible for this. Let's see. For a free TOPSTEP combine, 355 now. Somebody extra just snuck their way in. Will that be the big winner? Let's see. And 20 seconds, folks. 20 seconds. Get those entries in. 357 now. Let's get those final entries in. And Kim says, yeah, an OG got it. I was saying, oh man, it'd be so cool if we had an OG that won something in here. Anthony too. So we had 2 OGs. 2 OGs, right? I believe we had 2 OGs in here, so that's the way to go. Awesome. 2 OGs so far. Extra luck here. All right, folks, we are rolling for that free Top Step Combine in 5, 4, 3, 2, rolling. I wish I could say that name, but I can't. But are you here? Are you here? Let me see if I can find a way to pronounce this name. I cannot pronounce that name. I can't read. I believe that's kanji. Yeah, I cannot read kanji. Let's see here. Translate. Let me see if I can try this name here without butchering. Zhongshen. Zhongshen. Are you here, Zhongshen? Are you here, Zhongshen? Just say hi. They can't use it. Can folks from China not trade in Top Step? Is China banned from Top Step Combines? John Shen. Thank you so much there, Ider. Didn't want to butcher the name. Does anybody know? Does anybody know? Okay, yeah, okay, you did it right away. Does anybody know if, yeah, you know, I don't think China's banned from Top Step. So here we go. Is that Twitter or Instagram there, Yang? Let's see here. Let's see. Checking on, let's see, not following on Twitter. Let's see if this is on Instagram. If you're not following, we got to disqualify. I hate to say it. If you're not following here, let's see. Yang 26W. Let's see. Well, I think I saw you on Twitter and you weren't following me. So that, I mean, that kind of disqualifies you. I think those were the rules there. And I'm not trying to be mean. I'm just looking through. Yeah, no, not following me. All right. Sorry, folks. Got to disqualify. I'm sorry about that. You got to be following me. We're going to re-roll it again here in 5, 4, 3, 2, and rolling. JT Cooper, are you here? JT Cooper, are you here? JT Cooper, you have won. Are you here? Are you here? Just message me with your Twitter or Instagram handle if you're here. If you're here.
Which one?
Oh, nope, seriously, it's not you. JT Cooper. Let's see, Twitter or Instagram. Let's see. I see a yes, but let's see, Twitter or Instagram. Come on. Twitter or Instagram. JT Cooper. Twitter or Instagram. Let's see. Twitter and your handle, please. Twitter handle, please. Quickly now. Fake DB Cooper. I feel like they did a documentary recently on DB Cooper. So JT Cooper. Twitter, yes, yep, Twitter. And what's the handle here? That's the okay, all right, we got it here. Tones, let's see. Are you following? No results for that. Oh, nope. He's shaking so much he can't even type. I'm kidding. Let's see. Are you following? Hey, you follow me too. How about that there, JT? JT winner combine. There we go. Bingo bango. All right, folks, that leaves us with 2 free months of Clubhouse and 1 free combine. We will run it back here. This is painful. We'll run it back here and we're going to run it back. We'll get through these giveaways and then, we'll get back to that combine giveaway. So Clubhouse, free month of Clubhouse. We have 2 of these to give away. So let's do it. Just keep it simple here. Type in Clubhouse. That's it. Just type in Clubhouse. That'll do it for you. Type in Clubhouse to enter for 1 free month of Clubhouse. We have 2 more of these to give away. So just type in 1 free for 1 free month. Just type in Clubhouse. And congratulations to JT Cooper there. JT, congratulations. And I like you folks here that already pre-messaged me here. Hi, in case I win. See, I really hope that you folks get the luck here. I really hope that you folks get the luck. That's what I'm hoping for here. It should be easy. You just message right away. I got Instagram. Here's my handle. That's it. Oh, goodness. Yeah, I need to have the Final Jeopardy music. You know what's funny is that I had some music on my stream one single time, and they wouldn't let me take the music down because the stream was too long. Some kind of shenanigans there. All right, 30 more seconds here, folks. 30 more seconds. 30 more seconds here for the Clubhouse giveaway here. 30 more seconds. Let's go. 20 seconds here, and we'll be rolling. We have 2 more free months to give out. This is going to be one of those free months. 2 more free months. Here we go, folks. 10 seconds. Good luck, everybody. 10 seconds. Good luck, everyone. 10 seconds. And we are rolling. It goes to Brent 007. Brent 007, are you here? Are you here, Brent 007? I think I saw you early in the morning here. Are you here, Brent 007? Speak now or forever hold your pieces. Let's see. I feel like Brent 007 was here early on. They might be a little bit lagging on the stream here. Let's see. We'll give them 1 minute to claim. Wonder if same keyword pulls from hours ago. No, it doesn't. It does not. Not following reroll. Let's see. Come on. All right. It says yes. All right. Twitter, Instagram. Give me the handle. Drop it. Let's see it. Brent 007. Disqualified. Oh, we got to give them a chance. Let's see. Yeah, X. That's right. Yeah, it's X now, not Twitter. That is formerly known as Twitter. Brent, do we have a Twitter? Do we have an Instagram? I saw you in here early. Twitter or Instagram? Let's see. Thank you, Mike Z says, have a nice Christmas, Rips. Thank you. All right, Brent, we'll give you about 30 more seconds here. Got to keep the show on the road, unfortunately. Let's see. Insta, okay, can we get a handle perhaps? I don't know why we have to split this apart in 16 different messages, folks. I just don't understand this. It's crazy. It is crazy town. It's so simple. You just message, you say, yes, Instagram is this. It's so simple. What is the Instagram? He's creating a new account and following. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Let's make sure that you're here. In the future, folks, if you win that TOPSTEP Combine, let's try to be Quick Draw McGraw here. GC Rider 007. Is that, there we go. All right. And messaging winner Clubhouse. There we go. Club. And you did follow me there. It's very nice. Thank you. Winner Clubhouse. There you go. All right, so I'll make sure I message all of these winners here with your special coupon code, which will give you that free month of Clubhouse. All right, folks, so that leaves us with just one free month of Clubhouse remaining. So let's do the next keyword, the last one for the free month of Clubhouse. This was suggested by one of the OGs in here, Big Mac. We're going to do NASCRAC. NASCRAC is the word here, NASCRAC, which of course is our favorite thing to trade in here, NASCRAC. So just do NASCRAC as a keyword. This will get you a free month of Clubhouse. This is the multiple. No, don't say that. You folks in the Discord cracking me up here. Your NASCRACking me up. So one more free month of Clubhouse, and then we'll do that final giveaway for the free TOPSTEP Combine, the third and final free TOPSTEP Combine here. So here we go. NASCRAC is the keyword here. We will run this right at the bottom of the hour at 10:30. I want to see if we have any data coming out here at 10:30, just to have a little pause here. Nope, no data coming out at 10:30. Kansas City Fed Services activity out at 11 today. No Fed speakers are scheduled. We may have some surprise appearances, but there we have it. So NASCRAC is the keyword. NASCRAC is the keyword. Remember, just respond and say, Twitter, handle this. Instagram, handle this. Don't split it in 16 different messages. Let's keep the show rolling. Let's keep it rolling here. All right, we'll do it in 1 more minute, folks. 1 more minute. This is for a free month of Clubhouse. And by the way, we are seeing the Magnificent Seven kind of holding up here, but volume is steadily declining across the board. So this is probably going to not be very many good trades for the rest of the day. Final 10 might offer some nice opportunities, however. But yeah, this is some gross price action. I tell you what, very gross price action. What kind of data do you need for the Ninja Trader Combine? It's included. All of the data is included. You don't need to buy the market depth data unless you want to use the Superdome or whatever they call it on Ninja Traders. Is it the Superdome? I believe it's the Superdome. Yeah, Superdome is what they call it. If you want to have the full market depth, then you pay $39 a month for it. All righty, folks, we are rolling here in 20 seconds. 20 seconds here. 20 seconds. Good luck. We have 323 eligible people in here. Just type it one single time. Remember, if you win, just respond with that Instagram or Twitter handle and keep it moving. Did not use your signals, but your stream made me feel like I work with a team, which I needed. I like that a lot, Alec. That's great feedback. Thank you. Hope to see you again here soon next week. J. Powell Jr., I see ya. Good morning. All righty, folks. We're rolling. Here we go. Good luck for the last and final free month of Clubhouse. Good luck, everyone. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and rolling. Carrie, are you with us? Carrie, are you with us? Good timing here, Carrie. The last and final Clubhouse, free month of Clubhouse. Are you with us? Are you with us, Carrie? Me? Okay, Twitter or Instagram. Let's see if we can knock this out of the park here. Twitter or Instagram. Claimed it quickly. I like that. You're on the ball, Twitter or Instagram. What do we have there, Carrie? Let's see. Congrats to Carrie. Let's see if Carrie can claim the prize here. Let's see. Waiting for it. And do remember, this is not the final prize. We still have one more combine to give away. Hey, Ribs, what are your tools of the trade? I like Bookmap and, just tape reading on Bookmap. One day we'll have a winner do this whole process in just one message, and it's going to be glorious. Maybe. You have more faith than me. And is that on Twitter or is that on Instagram? I think that's you, right? Let's see. Could be somebody who just made a name, but I doubt that. Let's see. All right, let me check on Instagram here. Let's see. It's a tough name to type, I'll tell you what. Let's see. All right, there you are. Sweet. And you are following me. Congratulations there. I will message you. There we go. Hey, there you are. All right, sweet. You made it easy. Thank you so much, Carrie. You made it so easy. See, this is how it should be done, folks. Very simple. Winner Clubhouse. All right. So I will send you a coupon code later in today. And you can redeem it if you want to wait until January starts. You could redeem it then. It's good for a full month. So it'll get you from the moment you start, full month until then. So if you start today, it'll be good until January 22nd the next year. So congratulations, Carrie. Give it up, Carrie. Very efficient. Very, very nice there. Very, very nice there, Carrie. All righty. Very simplistic. Okay, folks, this is it. We're coming down to it. This is the last giveaway of the day here. This is it. This is the free month of Clubhouse here. Free month of Clubhouse. This is what we're going to do. Free month of Clubhouse. We're going to do a keyword. The keyword for the free, I'm sorry, not free month of Clubhouse. What am I saying? Free combine. It's a free combine. Free TOPSTEP combine. And what we're going to do for this one, the keyword, I'm just trying to think of something creative here, is going to be discipline. Discipline. There we go. Keyword is discipline, because whoever wins this TOPSTEP combine needs to practice discipline here. That's what I want to see. Discipline is the keyword. Discipline, because if you do get this TOPSTEP combine free and clear, I want to see you showing enough discipline where you're going to take this thing all the way to the promised land, to the XFA level, and get paid out on this bad dogger. So please show discipline in your trades. Discipline, DISCIPLINE, discipline. That is the word of the day. The final combine, the final giveaway for our Merry Ripsmiths holiday extravaganza here. We'll give it out here at 10:35. It's 10:33 and a half right now. So we'll give it out at 10:35 here. Give you folks another minute and a half here to enter. Discipline is the key word, because you want to be practicing discipline. That's the name of the game when you're a trader. You want to show discipline. You don't want to do crazy wild trades. You want to stay tucked in with your discipline here. Tucked in with your discipline. Big cheesy. Oh, man, I love you, folks. All right, 322 eligible. Let's get those entries in. And remember, make sure you're giving the stream a thumbs up if you all are having fun here on the stream today. Make sure you are subscribed with your notifications on here. This is it, the final giveaway of the day here for the holiday extravaganza. One free and clear combine. And I hope that whoever wins it is going to practice that discipline. Got to have the discipline here. See if we can get all the way above 350 entries here. Got about 30 seconds left here, folks. 30 seconds left. Good luck to all of you. I hope whoever wins this really takes it slow, really pumps the brakes, focuses on taking really, really good trades, and shows that discipline. That's why we have discipline as the keyword here. All right. 20 seconds, folks. 20 seconds. Here we go. 20 seconds. Here it comes for the final giveaway of the 2023 Merry Ripsmiths Holiday Extravaganza. 10 seconds, folks. 10 seconds. Here we go. Good luck to all of you. Good luck. I hope that somebody very special. Maybe an OG will win. We'll have to see. Somebody who's been rocking with the clubhouse since the beginning. Let's see. All right, folks. 5, 4, 3, 2, and rolling. Here we go. Final giveaway of the day goes to Yeti. Are you with us? I think Yeti is an OG. Yeti, are you with us? Talk to me, Yeti. Are you with us here? If you are, you've won a free combine. We'll give you about 60 seconds to claim this because it's a hot ticket item. Let's see if we can get it popping off here. Really, really easy. One message, please. That would be so nice. I'm here. This is my Instagram. This is my handle. Let's see. I think Yeti is an OG. Let's see here. Give him about a minute here. He's in the forest. Yes. Okay. Now, Twitter, Instagram. Let's see if we can get it done in 2 messages. We got the yes. Let's see. Come on. I believe in you, Yeti. I believe in you. Come on. Yeti is playing hide and seek. 1 minute says no chance. Let's see, though. Oh, come on, Yeti. Make us proud. Oh, goodness. Here's a template for all winners. Okay, but what? Okay, Twitter, but what's the handle? Hey, there we go. All right. Okay. There we go. Oh, man. You folks are killing me today. You guys are just trolling me all day long, right? Let's see. Are you following me? All right, you're following me. Hey, there we go. Congratulations, folks, to Yeti. Congratulations, winner combine. I will be messaging you folks, you winners. Congratulations to all of you. I will be messaging you later today. If you won a free month of Clubhouse, you'll get a link with a pre-filled coupon in it that you can utilize to get your free month of Clubhouse. And the coupon will be open-ended until the end of January of 2024. So you can use it at any time that you feel comfortable there. So, had a lot of fun, folks, here on the YouTube. Thank you, everyone, for tuning in for the Merry Ripsmiths giveaway. We're going to finish our day up $2,300 trading some combines here. Had a lot of fun. Had a great time trading alongside all of you. I will be back here on Tuesday. Markets are not open on Monday, but I will be back here on Tuesday. So please make sure that you drop a like on the video. Make sure that you are subscribed here. Please. Do not leave without leaving a like on this video. Do not leave without being subscribed with your notifications on so you can be notified anytime I go live here. Had a lot of fun trading alongside everybody in here, and I hope that if you are going to continue to trade, please keep an eye on volume. We really don't have all that much in the way of news. We do have one more thing coming out today, and that's going to be the Kansas City Fed Services activity, which may or may not stir volatility. I'm leaning towards it's not going to. So just please exercise caution if you are going to trade. And hopefully I'll see a lot of you folks here back on Tuesday for some more trading. And we'll see if we can pull some liquidity and some alpha out of this market. So thanks again for tuning in, folks. My family here in Discord, don't go anywhere. We'll do a nice little wrap up here. But don't go anywhere if you're in the Discord. And I'll see you folks here on YouTube bright and early on Tuesday at 8 a.m. sharp. Take care, everyone, and have a fantastic holiday weekend. Enjoy those 4 days away from the screen. I'll see you folks on Tuesday.